Moon gang, we are back at it again for the afternoon session. I hope you got some tendies in your system. I hope you got some rocket fuel in your system. I'm here. I am the co-host. This is my other co-host Chair. We are back at it. We are ready for the last two trading hours of today, February 24th. If I'm being honest, I don't even know what day of the week it is, but I know we're having some fun. Let's get back at it. AMC drifting upwards. I like that. I like to see it. We're at 780-ish. Super slow. What is going on? Hang on. We having some technical problems? No? Okay. That's just my own computer being weird. Okay, sweet. We are good. So AMC trading at 780, kind of drifting upwards. It's this morning, if you see on the chart here, it was having issues at 790. So we're watching that. Of course, $790, $8. That's important. But we have enough. There is enough time left in today to get some serious movement on AMC. So my first hope is that it retakes $8. Past that, of course, we have 840, that same price level I've been complaining about this entire time. Tesla 725, kind of trading sideways. Workhorse trading sideways at 15. Overall market, the S&P 500, very strong still. Trading at 392. Hang on. It says I'm getting something about buffering. Video delayed, bud. Hang on. Let me see what's going on. Oops. I'm trying to fix it. Let me see. Lordy, YouTube. 2 tickets to Tendy Town. I don't know what's going on with. I think it should be picking back up now. I think my OBS CPU like really spiked. Let me know. Are you guys still seeing the issues? Lag is fine now. Okay, all good. Cool. Just classic. I guess my computer system didn't get enough rocket fuel in itself to get us through this stream, but hopefully we're good now. Let me know if it drops again. We will fix it. We're back at it, guys. Positive vibes only. Remember, send some good vibes out into the universe. That's what it's all about. Let's keep going. I don't know where I got cut off, but basically overall market strong. Tesla sideways, Workhorse sideways. AMC, we're looking for it to get above 780, 790, $8. And then I think the party's back on. We have exactly 2 hours until the market closes. So I think we're in good shape. I think there'll be some excitement. Remember, AMC is reporting soon. Let's keep going. Let's go. I am filled to the brim on rocket fuel, and I'll put more and more into my system. All right, let me know, what are the big watches? What are you guys watching? Where's your accounts at? What are you mainly watching for this afternoon? Shirt check, just black shirt today. I was saving my, I'm saving the special astronaut monkey shirt for tomorrow. Trying to plan out my karma and luck accordingly. Matt, what about transparent business pre-IPO ever? Any thoughts? Charles, not too sure. Transparent business pre-IPO. I need to look into that. Charles. All right, what else is moving? We're basically sitting here just to see if AMC will finally like grow up and keep popping. All right, everyone moving. ARC, GME. All right, so we're all over the board. Not a big consensus today. I mean, obviously, a lot of eyes are on AMC, of course, as they should be. Do you use Pet and Pedro hair products? Great hair, brother. Doge to the moon. Lafayette, Georgia, in the house. GTA Nation, thank you so much for that. Super kind. Let me know where you guys are all from. Let me know. Post your state, your country below. Show everyone that there are space apes throughout this entire planet. Let us know where you're streaming from right now. Verizon and Vuzi 5G innovation session with DoD now. Thank you. That could see some nice movement in Vuzi, Verizon. Let us know where you're all from. Let's have a little bit of fun as we are waiting for really some volatility to pick up. CCIV below $30. That is rough. Remember that analysis I did though when you doubled up the valuation? Basically the valuation we were hoping was at 12, it was trading at $50. When you double the valuation to 24, there's a realistic case that it drops sub 30, maybe even 25. GTA Nation just became an astronaut. That is awesome. FSKR partnered with Apple Car, announced 1 minute ago. How is that looking? FSKR. Fisker Capital. Interesting. Hang on. I want to find the news. Is this what we're talking about, Damon? Whoa, you guys are all over the world, my fellow space apes. FSKR. Oh, hang on. This dumb thing's loading. Let me just get off this page. I think we would be able to find it on FinViz. Apple. Apple partner Foxconn to form EV partnership with Fisker. Apple partner Foxconn to form EV partnership with Fisker. Foxconn Technology Group, which is an exclusive supplier to Apple, will develop an electric vehicle with Fisker, part of the manufacturer's efforts to boost its automotive capabilities at a time when technology companies, including its main customer Apple, are looking to expand in vehicles, specifically electric vehicles. The car will be built by Foxconn, targeted at multiple markets, including North America, Europe. That's awesome. Fisker, does Fisker actually trade under? A 3-month high of 22. Hang on, I want to pull up Fisker's. This is the wrong ticker. FSR. Moving. Look at that. So it broke out of this resistance at 2064. I think we mapped this out actually yesterday. And now it's moving. I mean, that's some. It's on its way to a new all-time high. I mean, so the all-time high, I can map that out. I wouldn't be surprised if it hits that today, tomorrow, the next day, but pretty soon. That's an awesome, awesome development. Congratulations to Fisker. This is great. That's a very good development. I mean, I know there's people in the chat who have been like in this. Is anyone hang on, let me go over to Matt live in the Discord, see what's going on there. Fisker, Maryland, Zach, thoughts on CCL? I'm right now bullish on I am bullish on the cruise line industry. Royal, Carnival, and Norwegian are all strong. Pre-market continues. That is some strength. What's going on with AMC? Coming back down, actually, unfortunately. Would love it above 790. Tesla selling off a little bit. Actually, everything's selling off a tad right now. So let's see if things can turn around as we head into Power Hour. Matthew Smith, I'm from the dark side of the moon, and I'm going back there soon on my AMC rocket filled with Doge fuel. Matthew, I love that. Thank you for that super chat. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I am getting the error on my side that says YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. Is that what, are you guys experiencing buffering? Let me know. I could try to restart it or figure out. I mean, I haven't really done anything differently. 209. A stream bitrate of 45. I believe my stream bitrate is high enough. I don't know why. Let me know. Let me know. Let me check that on OBS just to make sure my bitrate is acceptable. My CPU is not spiking. Preferences, stream, output, streaming, bitrate. I think that should actually be good. Okay, you guys are good. So I don't know what's going on with YouTube. I don't want to mess with it. Okay, sorry about that. 720 is fine. All right, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, if you guys could, if you're watching it right now, if you could just quickly drop a like. There's 3,000 of you in there. If we get this over 1,000, it will help getting more people in here. And hopefully we can all get some tendies on AMC then. I would very, very much appreciate that. You are looking pretty buff. Oh, I wish. Smooth streaming. All right. All right, Fisker doing well with Apple. That's awesome. I mean, I think overall, if my thesis on 2021 is right, I think there's many reasons to be bullish on EV, esports, cloud computing. What free two stocks should I get? Webull. It's random, Rachel. Obviously, there's a higher chance of getting a lower price stock, but the highest one I've seen through my sign up code is pushing like $200. Oh, actually, I think I forgot to post that. I could pin that as a comment just so everyone, if you want, you could sign up for 2 free stocks. Let me find that link really quick. I'll post that. Get 2 free stock. All right, hang on, excuse me while I get this out into the interwebs. All right, I am pinning the comment to the top. So if you guys want 2 free stocks, make sure you're signing up for Webull. Not only do you get 2 free stocks, but it is a great way to support this channel. Where is the next support down on CCIV? Good question. I know CCIV is kind of struggling a bit. It does look like the next support is pretty much at like 26, 27. I would say is the next. It broke through this support that we had going at 30 dollar south of that. So I would watch this high, this low, kind of in here. So 26 to 27, I would argue, is the next technical support for CCIV. In fact, if it hits 26, I'd probably buy more shares just to hold for like the long run. My expiration on AMC is mid-March, March 19th, I believe. What do I think about Elon's Doge tweet? I love it. I think it's hilarious. Doge 5.6. Once again, we are looking for Doge to get above 6 cents. That's the main thing we care about. I'll throw up Doge here for a little bit instead of Workhorse. Granted, the thumbnail is a Doge-based thumbnail. But right here is like kind of the main level I'm watching, 6 cents. Once above that, that's just a technical level of resistance. Above it, I think things could get pretty exciting. Joshua, did you see that Elon recently changed his Twitter bio to go from Doge all day, Doge all night? I did. It's hilarious. So if you guys are just tuning into the stream now, I'll show this to you. It's hilarious. Elon. Right here. Doge all day, Doge all night. Posted this picture. It's just hilarious. He's so dominant in the world of the internet. Doge all day, Doge all night. Hilarious. Remember, if you have stuff to send me, You can do it during stream and I could get it as a notification. If you just want to follow this Twitter, same thing for Instagram. The Instagram's brand new. Trying to be more active on it. To be honest with you, sometimes I just forget. But it's at Matt_Kohrs on Twitter and on Instagram. I feel like I should redo my stream where I had like that fancy looking stream thing where it like says it on the bottom and my pictures look cool looking and all that good jazz. Please, Eli 5 AMC for GME Dogecoin short, Bitcoin long. Agree. Any opinion on CTXR and BLSB? Triway also Biden is kind of Tony, you have a lot going on in that super chat. Please, Eli 5. I'm not sure what you're asking for. So I'm in on AMC GME. I still have mine. I'm diamond handed. I would not short Dogecoin because then you're fighting against all of the random tweets from Elon. Opinion on CTXR and BLSP. BLSP. Blue Share Corp. Looks pretty weak to me. Found support at a cent. I mean, this is a sub penny stock. I'm telling you, you'll have better luck playing more established stocks out there. CTXR. This one looks like it's about to turn down. I'd be careful on that. Look for support at 180, look maybe at 160. Look for support to be found in this region, but to me, it looks like it's about to sell off. All right, AMC, come on. All right, we're going higher and higher. Where are we going? Doge bouncing off of the 5.6. Tesla just hanging out at 723. Things aren't really moving right now. Hopefully sometime heading from now to power hour. I just want some excitement. I want some movement. Don't forget your rocket fuel. AMC $100 by year's end. I would love that. Nvidia bullish. CCIV long-term bullish. But CCIV, I'm telling you, the support is at 26.27. Just bought calls on FSR. Good luck, Daryl. Not buffering. All right, thank you, King Kong. Thank you, Bang Vegas. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. AMC. Cami Q, yes. Background music is it's in the works. Can we use Webull in Canada? Dylan, I don't believe so. I think right now Webull is exclusively in the US. Oh, that rocket fuel tastes good. What do you think about the market rotation? I thought that the market was going to rotate, hence why I had those SPY puts. I just got burned on them. I thought this breakdown, but this was attempt number 4, and the bulls pushed it right back up into it. So in terms of resistance, I would say let's watch 394. This is the main level I'll be watching next. I mean, of course, it could get rejected at 92 where it has like 4 times before, but I think 394 past that, I think we're looking for 400. All right, AMC, make us proud. Any breaking news we need to go over, team? I like to go over some of this news while the market's a bit more quiet. This just in, the Fed system that allows banks to send money back and forth is down. Oh, Janet, that's a bad look. What else is going on in the internet today? Guys, do we have breaking news? Anything you guys need my opinions on? Life advice? This is what we're here for. It's more than a stock show. Matt and Chair, episode number 1. Actually, today's episode number 2. These look ugly. Is this from Oshkosh? That's a weird kind of fake almost. Any life advice questions? I'm completely unprepared to give any of that. Well, I'm prepared to give it, but I don't think you should take any of what I say as actual weight on anything. Not a financial advisor, not a tax expert, not a lawyer, barely a human at this point. What do we have going on? All right, guys, feel free. You could send some memes this way. We could check them out. Let's get a good laugh going before the market wakes back up. We could just turn this into a meme review channel. I would love to do that. Fun little fact about me, I was definitely one of these people who was I don't know, I guess way too mature and whatever to ever get on TikTok. And I'm not on it, like I don't make videos. I tried, I just like wasn't that good at it. But there is hilarious things on TikTok. Like if you're on TikTok long enough per day, you're gonna find something that makes you pee your pants. TikTok is so funny. How can I focus on my job while live streams are so much fun? Need advice, please. I don't know. Maybe you just gotta make it a team effort, Gabriella. Get your boss involved in it too, so they all understand. Don't trust the government in terms of making money on your stock, like Workhorse. Is this? Still holding CCIV in at 38. Recommendations. Chris V, if you have a long-term thesis, you could buy more, lower your average. I would target that like $26 area. Lower your average, but be prepared to be in it for years. I strongly believe that Lucid Motors will be an amazing long-term winner. Doug just became an astronaut. That's awesome. Vine was hilarious. But oh, sorry. Doug, welcome aboard, brother. We are loading up this rocket ship. Guys, if you want to be on this YouTube rocket ship, you can do so by hitting that join button right by subscribe. At a minimum, if you want to support this, I ask you to subscribe. And if you want to be in the Moon Gang Discord, there is a link to Patreon. Patreon just handles your payment processing, and then you'll get access to the Discord. Lots of ways to stay in touch, not only with me, but with all of your fellow space apes. How feasible is 600 by May for AMC? I wouldn't say feasible, but am I holding out for that to happen? 100%. Rachel GA upgraded her membership to become a space ape. So she started out as an astronaut, and now she's a full diamond-blooded space ape. Banned on Twitter and Instagram. Any email I can send memes. Damon, what did you do to get banned from Twitter and Instagram? What could you have possibly done that both of those services were like, nah? Doug, turning his 50% gain into the membership here. That's awesome. If you guys have huge winners and then you just want to show a bit of love and rolling it into a membership, that's awesome. Congrats, Doug. Doge breaking down a bit. I mean, man, all this stuff is just trading sideways. We got to keep the entertainment up. Your profile picture. Felix. Probably. All right. I mean, we could go back into the economics of Girl Scout cookies. We could do a lot of things to keep this entertainment high. Man, not even much is going on Twitter. We could check out Wall Street Bets. Did Korea affect Doge value while other countries? What did Tony? I don't know. Did Korea ban crypto? How's FSR doing? Tony, let me know what's going on with Korea. Wasn't I telling this of just like this breakout? Should we YOLO some of this? Should I do something stupid? That's some strength. It's showing strength. Looks like it's gunning. Let me see what I could do. I don't even know how much free capital I have. I'm getting antsy for some YOLO play. Let's see what we could do here. FSR. I just bought 3 call options on FSR for a YOLO dumb play. Expiration not this Friday, next Friday. I bought 3 contracts, 214 each, strike price of 25. Just so everyone knows. Let's ride it. Let's just ride it higher. Let's have fun. This is a horrifically dumb trade. This is the definition of chasing. I just bought it like cents away from the all-time high. I don't want anyone to copy this. This is a dumb trade. I'm just getting bored. We're trying to get some entertainment going. Don't copy this. Like whoever just said it's chasing, yes, you are 100% right. Check out APHA. It got a good fight at 1974 today if you want some entertainment. All right, let's check out APHA. APHA. Oh, I actually do kind of like this. Is water wet? Definitely can be. Interesting. APHA, a little bit of a downtrend. Let's see if that could keep going. Well, now at this point, we have to watch FSR. The things I do for you, team. Putting my own financial health in peril. So this is the all-time high. Let's see if it does it. This is so dumb. This is no different than just going to a casino and like throwing some money on the roulette wheel. This is not trading. This is just pure gambling. Velvet. These are too funny. This is from our boy Velvet. Check out what Mike Crotchburns just tweeted. Oh, the fun. Thank you, Velvet. I appreciate that. YOLO. Is water wet? Ban laughing skull. Wow, it's laughing skull. Is he? I don't see laughing skull. Is he? Yeah, I could do this. Make it a daily thing. YOLO of the day. Limit it to like $500. Maybe I'll just start doing that. Like once a day, I'll just do like a complete gamble. We'll see how it goes. So today's day 1. YOLO of the day is FSR. Let's see what happens. Oh. Damon getting banned because of politics. I mean, big social media will do that. Can you speak about options fees when buying and selling, as in like the premium of like what you pay per option? Is that what you mean? Revo? Let's go FSR. Let's go Tesla. Remember, call option on FSR, on Tesla, on AMC. Currently perfectly break even on FSR. All right, Eric IQ. Look at CPSH. Plus they have earnings after market. CPSH. Super low volume, Eric. Did I get this right? CPSH, yeah. Daily, super low volume, but I like how it gap filled this. I mean, if its earnings are after market, it's either going to go up or down. In terms of technicals, I would recommend watching right below 24. For resistance support, you have some at 18. Kind of a wide range. I don't know what they do. Miscellaneous manufacturing. Oh no, AMC. Wake up, buddy. Market's still strong. Who still has their SPY calls? I will do a portfolio update at the end of the day. Guys, you know I do it all day. I mean, there hasn't been a day that I don't show it. It'll happen. AMC's MACD about to cross. Could go up. Hopefully. Diamond-handed dragon. First time I went into a casino, put $20 on 4, walked away with $720. It happens. Zeus. Trying to fade me. I get it. I would fade me too with this type of action. Can you take a look at OEG? OEG, I mean, it's kind of battling it. This support has now become resistance right at $7. I could see it going either way. Could potentially shoot up to 8, but then there's also the support at 5. So actually, the risk reward is very much not in your favor on OEG at this moment. How is EH doing? I see someone spamming about EH. There's no reason to be in EH. Like, you're just playing with fire. Like, as much as I took a risk with FSR, at least I have some sort of fundamental development. EH, if they get nailed with fraud, it'll continue to sell off. I mean, I'd rather take this risk of chasing a high on a positive, like, development than, like, potentially fraud. Lots of people talking in caps right now. Let's calm it down with the internet yelling. No, we talk about GME. It's not doing anything. I'm not going to put up a stock that's like not moving, guys. That's more boring. Breaking news, the Federal Reserve lost transaction connection, banks and the Federal Reserve. Yeah, we were just talking about that with Yellen, kind of making fun of her. How's Bitcoin doing anyway? Pushing 50K. AMC getting hit, unfortunately. Come on. Do something. FSR gearing up. XCon, could you please stop spamming that? We've gone over it, please. What else is moving? Guys, post me some big moving stocks like right now that they're on the move. Here we go. FSR breakout. What's going on with FSR? Let's keep running. New high on FSR. Let's keep going. Dakota Bowman, what's going on? Went to the doctor. He said I got a case of the rock hard diamond hands and it's infectious. You might want to get yourself tested. Future Martian. That is amazing. I love that. Dakota, that is hilarious. Thank you very much, brother. A case of the rock hard diamond hands. CCIV, what's CCIV at? 29. All right, coming back a little bit. Tilray, 26. Tilray has a lot of move to make up. AMC, new car. HCMC, new wife. Payment. AMC, unfortunately, looking a bit heavy. We obviously have this nice support at 740, but let's see how this pans out. FSR, messing around. with a new potential high right here. It tried to break out, couldn't hold it thus far. Envos, what's going on with Envos, Chris? I don't know why people are selling AMC. I wouldn't. I just bought more. Man, down $6 on FSR. We'll never be able to recover from this. GME, I mean, it needs to get above that like 50, 51, even some resistance at 55. And it's still sitting below that. I don't know. Rick, I broke an Xbox controller last night. If only there was a quality brick and mortar store with a good stonk I could replace it with. Shadowscapes, what's going on? Can you check Woof? They are barking up the wrong tree. I might give them a bone. All right, let's check out WOOF. Whoa, Petco getting destroyed. I mean, it's obviously new. Only I would be careful about this because we don't really know any technical support. Like we haven't actually seen a bounce yet. So from a technical perspective, things are looking pretty bad for it. That's a pretty brutal sell off. Like once it snapped through 25 right here, selling. I mean, if you like Petco as a long-term investment, like you could justify this as a dip buy, but I don't know. Hang on, let me kick some of these Gregs out. Yeah, I got rid of that Greg. Imagine having like so little going on in your life that you either are spamming a comment and or you have a bot. Seems like insane jealousy if you ask me. Puts on Petco. No, I mean even that is like technically chasing on the downside. You don't want to get in on like post the massive movement. Unless you like absolutely hate the company's fundamentals, but I don't know enough about Petco's fundamentals. Hey, CCIV pushing 30 again. Just hit 30. Making up some of its loss. Thank you, Zeb. Position on LYV, not sure. Live Nation must be due for a massive. GT Black, like Zeus Gaming says, picker, it's not real. No damn Gregs. Greg's gonna Greg. All right, I just want some action in this market close. There's been a big deficit of tendies lately. All right, let's look for a Tesla breakout. AMC, I wish it was more so pushing 840 and we could just have an amazing final hour. Some days I think that the Greg thing has gotten out of hand, but then most days I think it hasn't gone far enough. All right, AMC, make us proud. What is it up today? Is it still positive? No, it's actually down 1% on the day. Doge is next supercharger event on crypto.com. It's time for an original song. All right. I'll just whip this one up off the top of my mind. I call this original piece, Boredom, and it goes a little something like, I'm super freaking bored. The market's going nowhere. I made a huge mistake on Fisker. I was chasing, but I really, 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 really want the market to go somewhere because this is like watching paint dry. I would appreciate it if you guys could send me some memes on Twitter to pass the time. I don't know. That was just, it's an original I've been working on for the past couple of years. Still ironing out the melody. I had to try. All right, Tesla moving, FSR moving. I'm feeling good. It's coming back. It was all because of that song, I feel. The world premiere of Matt's Boredom. AQMS filed a patent for lithium-ion battery recycling. Nice gains, not great volume. With the EV sector growing, would you buy shares or play calls? Bros Garage. Let's check out AQMS. Interesting thesis. I mean, obviously they liked it. When is its earnings? Feb 25th. So Bros Garage, just so you know, it sounds like it's about to have an earnings announcement as well. If you're liking it, I'm trying to pick out, like, there's quite a bit of resistance overhead, like 650-ish. Like, there's a lot of resistance sitting overhead. But if you like it as a long-term play of just like I guess the EV sector, like just the lithium play. I mean, lithium stocks seem to be doing well. There is a shortage related to the EV world needing lithium. So like, I think it's a pretty interesting thesis. I guess I have to look a little bit more into like the viability of their patent and like how useful it is. But expect volatility tomorrow because of the earnings announcement. Sorry, I'm trying to catch all these super chats. I love watching paint dry. Barbe, thank you for that super emote. GME over 50 positions or ban. Exordium. GME. I'm still in on GME. If that's what you're asking, positions or ban. I'm just, sorry, I don't quite know what you mean. GME. All right, lots of movement on GME. Let's see. GME making that move. Right here at 51, this is the previous support from back on February 5th, at least on the daily chart. GME on the move, though. I like that. I would say, I think there's a good argument that the potential next stop is 54 on GME. Be careful, because at least on the 30-minute chart, it is getting a bit overextended. But if it can hold 50-51, I don't see why it wouldn't track back up to test the previous resistance of 54. So that's looking nice. It's actually on the intraday looking nicer than AMC. Mike Perez, hey Matt and the Moon Gang. I think Fubo TV is going up. They have earnings coming up on the 1 hour MACD, and Squeeze the squeeze momentum on TradingView looking pretty good. What are your thoughts? So I'm actually pretty bullish on Fubo. We could check out their chart. So why I'm bullish on it, just like its overall, like if we look, I mean, granted it broke down from this, but a lot of things broke down the other day. So why I like it is now we're pretty close to this support. The previous rejection found support here. I like it as close to 32 as possible. I believe they also, well, not like super recently, but somewhat recently, I think they bought out Balto Sports, which is like another sports gambling thing. Another reason for me to be bullish on it. In terms of resistance, I would say watch this gap fill and previous rejections at $40. If it can get above that, I think it has like some pretty solid momentum in it. overall, I would say we're in a kind of a weird bullish pennant. Let me mark that out for you. It shot up and it came kind of like cratering down. If this does mark an official bounce, maybe we'll track back up to the north side of this, like the top of this wedge. So overall, the chart does need to develop a bit. It looks like the earnings announcement is on March 2nd. So we could get some cool announcements out of that. Overall, though, I would say let the chart develop. But everything I've been reading about it makes me think that from like a fundamental perspective to be bullish on it. Hey, GME is over 50 and running high volume too. I didn't know the volume was picking up on it. That could be interesting. All right, so there's the volume. The volume is picking up. Today's volume on GME is actually the daily volume is still a bit low. It's at 10 million. Like in the short term, it is picking up, which is nice. But like comparatively, the volume's nothing special. Not yet, at least. Obviously, we still have an hour 15, and if we know anything about GameStop, it can do like pretty crazy things. But from a technical perspective, the fact that it's sitting above 50, 51, if it can hold this, I don't see why it wouldn't track up to 54. Tesla getting rejected again off of this trend line, market coming down a bit. AMC, potential double bottom at 750. I like that. Let's see if it could catch a bid into close. And I think I missed one more super chat. Any thoughts on TSMP long-term investment? Tim, I don't really know about them long-term. Like, I don't know fundamentally what's going on. It's also a penny stock. It's an OTC penny stock, which just statistically, I can tell you most of these businesses fail. So my long-term, just like knowing the odds of OTC penny stocks on TSMP is to be bearish on it. I would assume that this business eventually will fail. That's just the odds of things that trade on the OTC market. Tell me if I'm wrong to buy Bumble at the magical number of 69. I mean, it's such a great number. I mean, hey, let's check out BMBL. Let's see how it's doing from a technical level. I mean, there is resistance pretty close at 70. For me, I don't like trading recent IPOs. I'd like the chart to develop, but hey, that's a strong thesis to buy it at 69. So maybe you'll get lucky. For my own trading in longer term investment style, I would want to know more how this chart looks. SLDB. It's going down after kind of a huge spike up. If anything, I would look for a bounce off of 860. I would be patient to that level. It's kind of close to today's low. We have double rejection there. I would recommend on this one, Solid Biosciences. Not sure at all what they do, but I would look at the high 8s. GT rocking that 21K on Live Nation. I guess when I said GT, when I was saying confirmation, I didn't really mean the bet. I just wanted to know if you were friends with Adam. I was looking for a picture in support of that. But it's also good to know that you're confident about the position. Did I miss a super chat? I don't think so. I think we're up to date. GME pushing 52. All right, I think GME now deserves a spot on the screen. GME moving. Look at that. I'm telling you guys, 54. Let's watch it. All right, I should probably add FSR over here, though, just so we can watch it out of the corner of our eye, especially since I took a YOLO play on it. YOLO. GME moving 52.3. I don't see what would stop it between now and 54, honestly. Loving this movement. Here, let's actually throw up the 3-minute. All right, here we go. 54. It's at 52.30 right now. I think it could keep kind of moving. Tesla getting rejected at that trend line. AMC trading sideways, unfortunately. How do I feel about the cybersecurity industry? Pretty good. I know CrowdStrike's a good one, and then there's that other Fire one that seems to be solid. Where do you see AMC on Friday closing? I mean, I just like to read it level to level. I'm looking for 740 to hold. The next major resistance is at 840. For now, we're just playing those levels. Above 840 could potentially set up the high nines, maybe even $10. Below 740, kind of a drop down to 650. So we are dealing with a wide range of possibilities, but in the meantime, we just got to play it from level to level. I just want something to move. As soon as I get it on FSR, it stops moving. What did I end up doing with my SPY puts? I bought them. I sold my SPY puts for a loss, like a $1,000 loss in total, because I had 10. They each cost me $1. When it got back up into here, I bought my SPY puts on the thesis of this breakdown. It didn't break down. We're already back up in it. So I cut it as soon as it crossed like 389. I have $500. What's your best stock pick for a quick return this month? I mean, I can't offer that type of information. That's like blatant financial advice that I cannot give, unfortunately. What do you think about GFL? I mean, it's looking strong. Like, just watch for it to break above 32. But overall, this is a strong looking chart. I like the RSI. I would like the volume to pick up a bit more. But good looking daily chart. Excuse me, sorry. Just getting allergic to this boredom. All right, GameStop, AMC. Let's get these meme stocks moving. Doge, 55. Very, very quiet close. I'm kind of secretly hoping that if I don't pay attention to FSR, it'll shoot up for us. Thank you, Christopher. That's very kind. Bless you. Hey, you guys are super kind. Thank you. All right. GameStop pushing again. We're about 5 minutes away from power hour, and I am just hoping something starts moving. I mean, I guess GameStop's moving. I'm telling you, 54. That's what I would watch. My like cost average on GameStop, I think, is like 200, 220, something like that. Like super, super far away. They letting Mark S. What's going on, buddy? Haven't seen your name in a bit. CCIVs. Tell us what's CCIV at. Hey, it's at least pushing 30. Sean, they letting GME rise to draw attention from AMC. Maybe. I mean, they're both like those classic meme stocks. Damon. Jeep Lord loading up on GME. I love it. AMC, I don't know. Like, I just want some big movement in this final hour. We have 5 minutes to go till power hour. Let's get some excitement. Oh, I'm kind of curious. What is everyone, if you're in GME, post your cost basis. Here we go, moving. What do I think about cannabis stocks? Pretty bullish on them. But I also view it as a long-term hold. Like, I wouldn't be bullish on it if you said, like, what's it going to do this week? But, like, if you said, what's it going to do in 2021, 2022, pretty bullish on it. GameStop on the move. I would love for those to squeeze again. That would be hilarious. Can't stop, won't stop, GameStop. Thoughts on the medicinal psychedelics market? I think one day it'll be strong. I think we have a lot of, I guess, legal red tape to get over with it, but I think one day it will be accepted. 249, 66, 102, 72, 203, 49, 350. We are all over the map, team. 47, 230, 122, 89, 74. 500 at 150, 268, 350, 112. It looks like we all like had arbitrarily decided to get in. Jones, CCIV is taking a bit of a hit. That's why people are asking me if they should get the calls on it now. I mean, I don't feel comfortable about that. I think CCIV many years down the road could be an awesome winner, but like in the short term, I think we need to let all the craziness of the lucid valuation kind of blow over. Sorry, my allergies are just going crazy. I am not a cat. Still calling for 54. No regrets. What do you think about FTOC, USWS? Don't know what it is. Power hour. We are very close to power hour. I think we have a minute, 2 minutes left. Yeah, what is power hour? Power hour is just the last trading hour of the day. A lot of people are like jockeying for position, making moves, making trades. So you see higher volatility. It's just from 3 to 4 p.m. It's not anything like technically special. It's just people making positions and like trades in the last hour. So we call it power hour because generally you see bigger moves. Do I have a video on how to set up your trading view? I don't. I definitely should make that. A lot of people have been asking me. How do you feel about AMC above $8 close Friday, considering doing a call debit spread of 6 and 8? I feel pretty good. Is today Thursday or Wednesday or Friday? Guys, what is today's day of the week? It's Wednesday. Wow. Okay, who knew? AMC being above $8 by Friday, I feel pretty good about that. Who knows? Like, obviously, don't take anything I say as financial advice. I'm here for entertainment. But personally, I think there's a good chance of that happening. Wow, who knew it was Wednesday? That's crazy. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. I guess I should keep up to date with current events. Space Apes back at it again. How close was I with my $54 call? What was the high? 53.75. I don't know. I don't know if I could count that as a win. 25 cents is a bit too far away. Enoch just became an astronaut. Welcome, Enoch. Happy to have you aboard. Brian Mann with a big super chat. Brian, Cohen tweet, MACD cross, machine is fixed, GME is gone. All right, what's Ryan Cohen talking about? Ryan Cohen. Founder of Chewy, I believe also like a backdoor investor, somehow invested into it. GME, very cryptic. Frog, ice cream. Usually these machines are broken, and I'm assuming that he's saying that the machine is fixed. I like it. I like the mystery. Brian, thank you very much for that. I mean, right, I'm still calling for 54. Above 54, things could get awesome. Look at this. AMC tracking back up. This is what Power Hour should be. These good vibes going out, making some tendies. I need to make up for some of my dumb plays lately. Transparency Project. Why does TD Ameritrade now say your account has been trading restriction? Only liquidating trades are accepted. PS, today is my birthday. Happy birthday. So thank you, AMC, for a decent day. Diamond Balls, 69,420. I don't know. Did you violate pattern day trading? Did you do more than 3 in the past 5 days, potentially? Or like, do you have a margin violation? I guess there's a couple of things that theoretically could be going on. Lockdown now entering its 15th year. Oh, Chris. Here we go. Let's go. I want to see some movement. AMC above $7.87 would be fun. Tesla, I just wanted to break above that trend line. GME still calling for 54. I will be pig-headed about that one. Man, Chris has been on the guillotine trip today. I don't know what you guys are doing, but Chris is not messing around. He is killing these bots left and right. Sunflower Brown, you're about to get axed. I know Chris is on top of it. Already guillotine. Chris, he's like the ninja. You just never know he's coming. He's the silent guillotiner. Dirk. First time trying options, and I have one call for snap strike price 75, expires 3.5, and one AMC call for $10 strike price 319. Thoughts on these? I actually really like both of those, Dirk. So my big suggestion would just be have a plan. It's your first one. Have a plan for your profit goal. Like set a profit goal. If you, let's just say your premium, you got it at $1 and your goal is 20%, set your profit goal right now of like 120. Like put it in of where you want to sell it, and like maybe you could get it hit. But that's awesome. I actually like both of those. I'm in a very similar one. I'm in the exact same one as you as on AMC, and I really like the snap one. So well, first of all, congrats into the world. Here we go, 54. I will definitely boost my own ego and say I called for that because I called for that. I don't have enough maturity to be humble. But Dirk, I think you're looking good. Just play it out. Stick to your plan. Whatever your plan is, stick to that. How do you feel about airlines and cruise ships? I got into United Airlines $50 call, and I'm at my highest. I was up 200% for 2021. I'm definitely bullish. I agree with you. I am bullish on airlines, cruise lines, lodging. I think as the world gets closer and closer to recovering, those stocks will do well. Mark C. Hey, Matt. I learned the hard way that Robinhood won't let you move your BTC to a wallet. You have to simply sell it. All right, that is a good shout out, a good reminder to everyone. Basically, when you're buying crypto on Robinhood, you're not actually owning the actual coin. If you want to own actual coin, I'm telling you guys, sign up for BlockFi. My link is below. You could get Bitcoin and Ethereum and actually own the coin. And if you want to store it safely, you could also get a little Ledger Nano. I have links for that. If you want to store it offline, if you're worried about hacking. AMC waking up, GME waking up. Let's go. Gabriella, what's being humble? What's that? Same thing as an exit strategy. I just never heard of it. Thoughts on SWN? This is for forgot by the system. I'm sorry they forgot about you. We won't though here in the Moon Gang. Looking good. Southwest Energy. I know oil is looking pretty strong lately, so this will most likely look strong. If it could get above 440, that is resistance. Then watch 470. It's a tight range, so you might not get like as exciting as a movements from it as you want. But oil has been strong lately. Here we go. AMC. Things are moving. Look at that. We're shooting straight up to $8. Matt, take a look at the downright outrageous call options on GME all the way to 580. What is that all the way? What is that about? It's probably because so many people were complaining that they didn't have farther out of the money when like this entire debacle started. So now the market makers have been making farther out ones for people to play. I'm sure they're super cheap. Like what are they, like a cent maybe? But hey, even if it goes from 1 cent to 2 cent, you just doubled up. Testament, BlockFi didn't give me credit for your link. It takes a bit to hit it, and you get up the well, Testament, if you think that you should have got a credit, like if it's not like currently pending, shoot them an email. I've had to email them a couple times and they've been like super responsive. Thus far, the customer service I've like experienced has been solid, but if there's an issue, maybe I can email them for you. But it did take a bit for my free credit to even hit the account. Thank you, Joan. What's CCIV doing? CCIV is sitting below 29, not doing much. 54. Guys, is this just like Notre Dame's work? Is now a good time to sell LUV? Let's see. But well, it got above this resistance, which is awesome. The fact that that broke out is pretty good. You could then look for resistance at what is this, 61 if you wanted to. So maybe 61. I wouldn't. Well, it depends. If you want to be a long-term holder, we'll just ride it out. But if you're trying to do like a day trade, a swing trade, be careful because the RSI is very, very overextended into the overbought territory. It did get above resistance at 59, so the next resistance is at 61. You could watch that. It's obviously all going to be up to you. I like how the volume's picking up. People are just right now excited about airlines. They're excited about like cruise lines, travel, lodging. I think momentum's on your side. Technically, things are a bit overextended. BCG Brad, hit the like. Thank you so much for that. Also, guys, 6,000 of you in here. Can we get this up to half? Can 2,000 of you beautiful space apes drop a like for me? It really, really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. BCG Brad, thank you for that super chat. What blockchain stocks are popular besides Riot? Mara is one. NYTC is called the 9. SOS is another one. Canon, CANAAN is another one. Those are all blockchain like miners. Quit buying AMC. I don't want my covered calls to exercise at 8, LOL. Otherwise, I'm going to have to rebuy in. Bones, we all have our own issues. I like that. How do you know which price to go up? Usually I'm just basing it off technical levels. I knew if it could get above the resistance of 52-ish, 51-ish, 52-ish, the next technical resistance was 54. As much as I want you guys to think that I have like magical powers, I really, really don't. As much as a show I put on and I want you guys to think that I have some sort of God-given demigod-like abilities, it's all just from reading charts. So right here it's 54, And the only reason I called out 54 is because of all of this mess from February 9th to February 16th. It was continually rejected at 54. So I was just calling for that to happen again this time. Basically, I'm just looking at what happened in the charts past and just mapping that forward. Of course, it's never going to be perfect, but like that's all it is. It's really nothing special. Above that, maybe I would look at 57. My next stop after 54, if we can get above 54, I would call out just above 57. Its support is resistance, so it's a important price level. And then past that is 61. There's really no voodoo going on in the background, unfortunately. What do you think about CPE? I got in under 5. CPE looking very strong. Another petroleum. I mean, just oil is super, super strong right now in the commodities market. So all these oil plays will also be doing well. You got in under 5? Wow. Congrats. That is huge. I mean, my big suggestion is ride the trend up and watch how it reacts to this high of 27.50. But man, that is an awesome trade. Huge shout out to BC Mike. Monster trade. What are your thoughts on OMI? OMI, let me get that up. I just want to scroll back and make sure. I just didn't want to miss any super chats. Okay, I think I got all of them. If I missed something, please send it to Chris. OMI, huge movement. It looks like the next stop is going to be closer to 36, like just over 36. So I would ride that trend upward. If you don't have a position, please don't chase. Don't do what I did with FSR. Don't chase it. Please let me blow up my account. Don't blow up your account. You got to learn from my silly, stupid mistakes. My account is the one to be blown up. Please don't make it yours. But looks like it has a nice trend. If you buy a call option and it's currently in the money, does it generally increase or decrease value the closer it gets to expiration? All options, whether it's puts or calls, will decrease as you get to expiration if you bought them. If you sold them, technically you're collecting more. They're decreasing, but when you sell one, you want them to decrease. That's how you get your money. So really, all options decrease as you get closer and closer to money, and that's it's basically the fight between intrinsic and extrinsic value. That's the terminology you guys can Google later. But the closer you get to expiration, it has less and less extrinsic value. So that's why when you buy a call or put, you want it to move in your direction and you want it to happen quickly, because then you have the most intrinsic and extrinsic value, and it doesn't even really matter if it's in the money or out of the money. But if you have something that's out of the money and it moves to being in the money, that's where you see the biggest gains. Thoughts on OCGN? I'm in at, you have 78 at 1067. OCGN. OCGN's looking weak. I mean, it did have this gap fill, so this might be the official bounce. But for what we see in the daily chart right now, that's some weakness. You might get lucky just because they also, I believe in March, so like maybe 2-3 weeks away, they will have some announcements about like their vaccine stuff. If it's very good, you might see another spike then. But for now, you're kind of battling people losing interest. There was a massive amount of interest in OCGN, and now, as you can see, the volume's just kind of dying off. So you needed to get back into the news cycle. 55. What was I calling out? The next stop is 57. I think I said 57. I'm throwing that on the board, guys. Throw that on the Moon Gang board. Matt said 57 for GME. If I'm right, please talk me up. If I'm wrong, just forget I ever said it. What are your thoughts on PBR? Earnings are tonight. Have 3 $11 calls, 5.21. So you played them super far out. I kind of like that. PBR, what is this? I don't know what this company does. Petroleo. It looks like a Spanish-based company. Another oil one. Because it's an oil, it makes me biased to this gap fill of 992. $11 calls. You have so much time. Like you have January, February, March, April, May 21st. You have a lot of time, and it's bouncing off of this. I would let it ride. Let the play develop. Please hit the like button. Diana, thank you so much for that reminder. Everyone, we're at 1.5 thousand likes. Can we double that up to 3? What's going on? Discord. Wosen. Okay, we're still talking about Live Nation in it. Some excitement going on. Was I right about 57? Oh, this game is so much fun. All these complaints about them gamifying the stock market. Of course they did that. Oh my god. Can I get an analysis on MRO? I've been making someone. It's called Marathon Oil. I've been making someone. I think Jason. MRO. I mean, Marathon Oil, it's going to run with all these other oil plays. Petroleum is strong right now. In terms of technicals, watch 13. You still have another dollar to the next major price level. Resistance, support, watch that $13 mark. If you're in on it, ride the wave. Don't chase this, though, because the RSI is already blown out. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. Hopefully this picks AMC up. The market is still strong in the close. Tesla picking up already above 730. We're finally getting that exciting power hour move we've been talking about. So for GameStop, let me lay out the next level for all of you stock market casino fiends. All right, what's the next level? It looks like I have marked 61, just above 61. 61. Yeah, it looks like 61 is the next level. So everyone, I'm calling it out. 61. AMC on the move. Exciting stuff. How's FSR doing? 22. Not that exciting. Why did I not? Should I buy GameStop calls? Just like completely put this account on tilt. Mentally, I'm at that point where I either want a massive win or I want the account to go to 0, which is not how you should be trading. Guys, please understand, this public account is money. Like, I don't want to blow it up, but it's also like a fun account. I mean, I'm live streaming it. It's not like a good, solid investment account. Do you think AMC and GME are linked to each other like before? Very well could be. I think as people are excited in one, they think to check the other, and if they see that going up, they buy it. We just got above 61. That is awesome. So above, I mean, we already need another analysis. This thing is just ripping. Hang on. I am putting my account on full tilt, trying to free up some capital. The things I do for you guys in the Moon Gang. Just so everyone knows, my account is down $1.5 thousand today. Or actually, is that right? Yesterday it ended at 10K. Right now my account's at 9.2K. What a pickup. The volatility is already massive. Everyone's getting so excited about GameStop. They're so expensive. Shoot. Why are these so pricey? Oh, this market makes no sense. Why did you guys let me spend money on FSR? I would have had money to get into GameStop. Hang on. I know I'm probably missing super chats. I'm just trying to make some more extra dumb trades in my own account. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, what did I miss? I'm sorry. Yeah, no, the Ivy is so juiced. F Electronics closed down. That's a solid pickup if GameStop brass acts fast. Interesting. How much money do I need to buy this stuff? Trade options. My margin isn't updating. I don't even know how much I can buy. I'm trying to buy GME calls just to completely YOLO this situation, to diamond hand this. But I'm having an issue. My like Robinhood's just not updating. Unfortunately. Come on. All right. I might have to wait and see. I don't know. Like something's not settling. Is anyone else having issues with Robinhood right now? This is another good reason to be on Webull. If you want Webull, check out that pinned link. What time is it? It's 3:20. Interesting. Roaring Kitty. Hey, AMC back above 8. You gotta love to see that. Look at REI. Will do. I'm writing that down so I don't forget it. REI. REI. Don't you dare buy GME calls. It'll stop rising. Gabriella knows me too well. She knows my luck. Hey, my luck is bound to change. I don't know why I can't get into it. That's my issue. What is going on? The options market makes no sense. I don't know why it's not letting me pick any of this up. I've just cleared up so much of my funds, and Robinhood is not updating it. It says my buying power is 2.6K, and then when I try to buy it, it says I have no money available. I don't know what else I could possibly do. This is just frustrating. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss out on this awesome move. Sorry, team. I'm trying to do what I can. All right, let me try killing the app, reopening it. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I mean, I have Webull. It's just I don't have enough money in it. I'm trying to like fire sale everything I have in this account to free up money for GameStop, and it just like won't let me. What amount of GME call are you trying to make? I'm just trying to like now I'm just looking at 60, 65, 75, but it's just not letting me fill. Trade options. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to wait for tomorrow. But knowing my luck, Elon's gonna tweet about it tonight, and it's gonna gap up to like 100. Ah, don't do this, Robinhood. Should have learned from its mistakes. At least Tesla's strong. How's the FSR doing? Hey, pushing 23 again. Tesla on the move. AMC holding 8. We have 35 minutes to go. FSR. Hey, I'm almost positive. FSR right now is trading at $1.92. I'm in at 214, so I'm down 66 bucks. Oh, all brokers raised the margin on GME, so that's why. If GME continues to go up, and if there's a massive gap up, there's going to be holes in this wall behind me tomorrow. I'm going to go full Kyle on it, guys. Full Kyle on the entire operation. I feel God in this Chili's tonight. If Robinhood does do this again, that is so incredibly, like, there'll just be anarchy in the streets. Everyone will go full Kyle on Robinhood. We'll have a situation where everyone's turned into a Kyle and Robinhood is some drywall. I know how to fix your Robinhood account. First, thank you for that question. When I was a young boy in Bulgaria. All right, come on. I'm going to miss out on this fun. Should I just throw in a couple $1,000 and see what happens? I hate putting more money into it because I know I always just blow this account up. All right, let's do 1,000 because then I could at least get one call. Done. Give me the money. Show me the money. Guys, if you think GameStop's done, you haven't learned anything from the last time this happened. It's never done. Can't stop, won't stop, GameStop. Oh, whoa, my order went through. Let's see if it gets filled. $60 calls, so pretty much at the money. Oh, is it not going to fill it, though? Shoot. Come on, GameStop. Don't do this to me. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Ah. You guys are just seeing. Come on. Please tweet something about GME. Hell yeah, I'll tweet something about GME. I just don't know if I will ever get this fill. Why is this? It works all day, and then when one of these meme stocks runs, all of a sudden it has more problems than it can handle. I'm still not filled. Hang on. Replace. I don't know if I'll get this fill. Shoot. Hang on, we're going, team. It's gonna happen. The system's not gonna keep this space ape down. No, it's moving without me. What are you doing? Oh, I'm pissed. Now I'm pissed. I just can't get a fill. I can't do anything. I don't understand. This is ridiculous. I'm now losing thousands of dollars on this. You guys have seen me panic trying to buy this. What? Go through. All right, good vibes, Matt. It's okay. Don't get mad. Don't be mad. I don't know what to do. This is frustrating. Okay, just breathe. Just breathe. Vlad is not doing this to you personally. Just remember that. Not personal. Just because he can't run a good business. I don't know what's going on. I'm just sitting here. I was trying to get in. You guys saw it. I was trying to get in below 60. Who knows what's happening anymore? Nothing's real, team. Nothing matters. Another day, another AMC or Robinhood costing me thousands of dollars. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Don't go Kyle. Don't be a Kyle. I just wish I could show you a GME position if I can magically get a fill. Ah, shucks. These premiums are just so juiced because of the volatility. Hey, I got a fill. A horrific fill. Oh, this is so stupid. All right, I have 2 call contracts for not this Friday but next Friday, at $100 strike price. That is, oh, this is hilarious. Such a dumb play. This is pure casino. This is not good trading. I need to clarify that to everyone. This is not how you should interact with the stock market. This needs to be clear. Don't copy me. Not financial advice. It is horrific, dumb, borderline like gambling addiction personality. Like, I don't know. It's so bad. It's so stupid. It's like that Machine Gun Kelly album, Tickets to My Downfall. Let's see how it goes. Can I show you the RSI on, yeah, the RSI on this is going to be sky high. Look at that, way above in the overbought territory. I think Deep FN Value is exercising some of his calls. Some put holders out there just got assigned. Could be. I don't know. He might be doing some, but he also owns what, like 100,000 shares or something. Like, he has a huge long position. This is just the worst thing, but it's all right. I mean, I don't mind with this account. I'm working on getting over to Webull anyway. So like, I just sold a bunch of stuff, and instead of doing the transfer to Webull, I'll just have to now buy back in fresh. FSR, that was not a good trade. Just huge fire sale. I mean, and this is going to get it back into the news cycle. This is positive stuff, team. Just so everyone knows, I'm announcing it live. I have 2 calls on GME, not this Friday, next Friday. Expiration date, that's the expiration date, 3/5. $100 strike. I got a fill at $11. Right now it's trading at $13.60, but it's like all over the map. Every second you check it. Johnny, this is so nice. Love watching your live streams. You're the one that I mostly tend to watch aside from Meet Kevin. Hey, I don't blame you. Meet Kevin's awesome. Love your graphs and how you explain your opinions. Keep doing the good work. Thank you. That's what we do here. If I can make you laugh, if we can make some money, even if you just get some sick enjoyment of watching me blow up my account, that's what we're here for. We're here for the good times. Don't be a beach mat, sir. This is a casino. Yeah. Literally no clue what risk management is about. Once again, my best tweet ever. GME up 57%. Obviously, guys, this is what the wrap-up video is going to be about. This is so silly. My account is on margin tilt. All right. Where are we at? We're about 20 minutes in. All right, here is the, this is not right. There we go. Did you guys see that spike up? This is what happens when you buy GME. Just a massive swing up. Oh, that's crazy. Are these all of my things? So I have Palantir calls, AMC calls, Tesla calls, GME calls, FSR calls. We're actually almost break even on the day now. Now we are positive on the day. You guys just saw me go positive. So dumb. This is not good trading. This is 100% not being done by a trained professional. So that means you should definitively not be doing this on your own. Wow, now we're positive by 1,000. This is the casino. Welcome to the casino, team. Oh, you gotta love it. Well, this is so dumb. None of it makes sense. All right, what can we say? I'm not leaving. Can't stop. Won't stop. Game stop. All right, we gotta find a good GIF. Good GIF. Can't stop. Let's see what happens. I have to self-control. All right, let's get some queen action out there. I should have tagged GameStop, whatever. Guys, party's back on. Who cares? This is what you get for good vibes out into the universe, everyone. Everyone knows that. Good vibes, you put good vibes out, you get good vibes in. It's karma. I didn't write the rules, I'm just following the game. This isn't a stock market episode show. This is a life lesson of being a positive person, putting vibes out there, and you'll get completely unruly moves like this in GameStop, in AMC. What's the account at now? Let's keep loading higher and higher. I'm already up $2,000 on GameStop. A reasonable trader would say, hey, you should lock those gains in. You just got $2,000 for nothing. But then again, I'm still behind on my studying. I don't know what an exit strategy is. I just learned about the stock market. I haven't gotten to that chapter in my book. They should have put exit strategies earlier in the book, but they didn't. And that's not on me. That's on the author. Is this halted? I wouldn't be surprised if it. What a time to be alive. Jason, I love that. It is a time to be alive. How is Doge doing? 5.5. AMC still pushing. Guys, the 20 minutes of this day. I should have changed the title of this. Oh my God. It has to be a halt. There's no way this isn't a halt. This is reminding me of 2 weeks ago. GME, yeah, halted at 38. So it'll either be a 5 or 10 minute, probably a 5-minute halt. Let's go. I guess we don't have to go Kyle. If I didn't get this, we would have gone full Kyle on the operation. What? This is so dumb. Team Moon Gang. Don't forget, if you're loving this, don't forget to join up with the Moon Gang Discord through the Patreon. You could also get Weeble. If you don't want to have issues with Robinhood like I just experienced, sign up for Weeble. Weeble, the Moon Gang Discord. Great ways to join up. I was able to get a strike price of 72 on GME, good till March 6th. LO, nothing else would fill. The price was already 68, nothing else good. David, I had the exact same problem. I mean, I'm sure is to be fair with you guys, I'm ragging on Robinhood, but like the system, these market makers just had to get overrun with it. The volatility's through the roof. Just to be fair, like I know I'm completely ragging on Robinhood, but I'm sure there were issues like across the board. Space Apes be swinging from the rafters. Grant. Welcome to the casino. New channel. This is so fucking dumb. What's so funny about this is, like I really did try to make this like, when I started this channel a year ago, and my entire goal was to like good, solid stock market teaching, like education, pure education. And it's just transformed into more of this like entertainment of just some crazy guy who wears the same cardigan and Space Ape shirt. Tomorrow I'm wearing the Space Ape shirt. Maybe I also have a super lucky duck shirt. Like there's a lot of ducks on it. I might wear that, but it's almost too lucky. So I'm worried that we could break the stock market if I wear that shirt. Is the shirt here? Wait, I might have the shirt, but where is that? Where's my duck shirt? Ma, I need the duck shirt. I'm kidding. My mom's not here. All right. I'll wear the duck shirt tomorrow. For everyone watching, big reveal tomorrow. My luckiest shirt of all. It's a duck shirt. I will be wearing it. This is the Rippening part 1. Come back tomorrow for part 2. This is going so off the rails. Sometimes I sit here and I know that there has to be people from my high school like watching it. It's just crazy. And like, I just imagine like what they talk about. I'm like, yeah, we used to know Matt. Like he's completely bonkers now. All he does is scream at a live stream on YouTube. Guys, I'm telling you, the duck shirt is too powerful. But I'm going to wear it. I will do it for you, team. I'm going to iron it out tonight. There's going to be no wrinkles. We'll go full-fledged duck shirt and we might break the stock market. It is very powerful. Where is my duck shirt? I thought the duck shirt was here. I was going to throw it on just to show you a little bit of its power because the market only has 15 minutes left. So if it got too out of hand, I could have saved the market as a whole. But now it's going to have to experience the entire day. I just want to know how this is possibly explained. Now we're up $2,000. Look at this swing around. The swing around. And here we go. 82, 80. Let's keep this going. How much is everyone up? I'm like overheating now in this because of the excitement. We're just producing too much. I'm going to go in the money with these calls, which is crazy. Man, I wish the duck shirt. This is the biggest mess up in my live streaming career is I didn't have the duck shirt readily available. What am I doing? I'm sorry, guys, I messed up. I messed up. It's okay. It's okay. I'm looking at it as we're saving other hedge funds from blowing up by me not having the duck shirt on. How much are my AMC calls up? Not much, only 59%. Hey, you know what they say? A 1K a day keeps the Gregs away. This is so unreasonable. So, like, on tilt. Oh, you know what would be okay, I could burn a day trade. I could sell my Tesla call and then buy more GameStop. That's a move. I'm telling you guys, above $10, AMC is going to go bonkers. We haven't even mapped out GameStop, team. Right here, 95. 95 is the next stop for GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop, 95, then 114. Guys, you're seeing it live. You can't make these episodes up. This isn't a room of script writers in the background. This is just one guy and his duck shirt. He has a couple Ape shirts. That's all it is. David, I know there's some people on stream who just tuned in and they're like, oh, I hate this kid. He's literally yelling about a duck shirt. Like, why would I watch him? And I just, from the bottom of my heart, I want you to know that you're a Greg. That's my biggest comment to you is you're a gigantic Greg if you're not finding fun in this. David, hey, remember me? Can we get a sneak peek of the duck shirt? We may have to lift it off. I was gonna put it on. The market, okay, I only have 10 minutes left. I'll wear the duck shirt tomorrow. I was saving it for when the channel and the market were going down and just I needed the luck. But for all of you, I will bust out the duck shirt early. I promise. Here is the real power of the people, to be honest. Did you watch the podcast with Vlad and Dave last night? It was a nightmare and it lit a fire under so many big players. I think GME and AMC may see fire. I mean, yeah, this is the start of anarchy, team. Strippers gonna put their kids through college after I catch out. Oh, this is very quickly not becoming a family-friendly show. Matt, I finally broke even on AMC, planning on holding. Put this tip towards a new duck shirt. Oh, guys, I am in the market for a duck shirt. We're always looking for more lucky duck shirts. Is AMC halted? Well, of course it's halted. Bye-bye, I hate hedge funds. I never want to see you again. Bye. Buy and hold, boys. AMC. The energy. I love when the energy gets this high in the room. Like, how can you not have a stupidly big smile on my face? We're hanging out together. We're making money. We're cracking jokes. The only people who don't get it are the Gregs. I know I missed so many super chats. I'm sorry about that, team. What's going on in the Discord? The Discord has to be going wild. Halted again. When's the halt end? The halt 46. It halted at 46, so 51 and 17 seconds. 51, so we have about 3 minutes. Team. Let's go. Target price. Oh, God. The chat's going bonkers. Money. Let's go. The Diamond Life. Target price 155. I'm dead serious. Chief C, I'm starting at 155. The squeeze ain't even closed. Jason Watkins. Matt, so what's with the call? Hold for more after hours? Guys, we're not selling. I'm not leaving. I'm not getting out of this position. Who cares? At this point, this account is either going huge or it's going to zero. Those are the two options. There's no sound thing of, Matt, maybe you should be happy you made $3,500 in a day. Maybe you should understand that that's really good money and you could pay for bills with that. I get that argument, but I also get that what's cooler than 3,000 is 30,000. That we're starting there. We're going higher and higher. I don't know. We're diamond hands it. This channel was built with diamond hands, so that's what's going to take the channel to the next level. Diamond hands in, diamond hands out. That's what you got to do. We're looking at 95 is going to get hit at 351 after this halt, and then we're watching 113. We're just going higher and higher. The squeeze ain't squoze. They're going to write about this in history books. The YouTuber who broke the stock market because he was so bad at trading, he was good. You know what? Look at this. I'm telling you guys, $10. We might see that gap fill on AMC. What are those AMC calls at? We bought those today at like a reasonable thesis. We're already pushing 119. My only big concern is that I wish I had more than 12. We are pushing it. Oh, we have a new space ape. Crusoe, shout out to becoming a space ape. If you want to be an astronaut or a space ape, if you want in on this spaceship, there's a couple of things you could do. You could check out the join button right by subscribe, or you could also join the Moon Gang Discord. But other than that, you're a space ape for just being here. All I ask you in support of this, in support of these insane antics, just hit that subscribe button. If you don't want to miss any of these live streams, especially if you don't want to miss my big duck shirt reveal tomorrow morning, make sure you go over to the notification bell and switch it to always so you don't miss any of the new content. But here, okay, this has to unfreeze very quickly. 51, where are we at? Are they going to freeze it all the way into close? Come on, Yahtzee, Yahtzee, Yahtzee. Let's see it. Where are we going, team? 91. It was trading at 50. Did they do a 10-minute halt? No. That means we have less time to trade today. That's the only reason it's bad. Sugar. People taking profits. People taking less profits. If only they had diamond hands like us. This is the type of stuff they're afraid to teach in your finance classes. They're going to talk about fundamental valuations, looking at the revenue, income statements, their PE ratio. That's all good stuff. But what they don't teach you, what you learn in your higher level education classes for finance, you got to go to the diamond hand special. It's a secret class. A lot of the times they don't advertise it in the course syllabus. And it's all about having hands so strong that an app like Robinhood's not going to stop you. This has gone through the roof. Halt. There's nothing we can do about a halt, team. It's just rules of the game. But we know the rules. We'll come back. Those of you knowing I was calling out AMC, the reason the resistance is here is because it's going to get smacked. And look what happened. Guys, I don't know how long my crystal ball is going to last, but it's working today. The crystal ball is on today. They teach paper hands in college. Yeah, in college, I don't know. They probably don't want me as a guest speaker in colleges at this point. Ow. SNDL moving. Oh, look at this smack. That's not fun. How much time do we have left? 46, so we still have 3 minutes. Is this a squeeze? It is the start of a squeeze. The Diamond Life. Looks like your verified channel. I like the name. Sick name. Oh, Tesla squeezing as well. Look at this. Guys, don't sleep on Tesla either. The volatility is through the roof. A reasonable person would have gotten out of this. They would have been like, hey, I love a 35% return. You know what's cooler than a 35% return? A 350% return. I'm no mathematician, but 350 is better than 35. Guys, in support of AMC and GME, there is 12K of you watching. It is absolutely free to drop a like. We're at 2.3K likes. Can we get it up to 10K? 8,000 of you beautiful space apes in support of AMC, GME. GME is about to open back up. Drop a like. Let's send some good vibes out into the environment, into the universe. We'll get them back. It obviously also very much helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. It's just a funny way to ask for some help. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing. I just want this halt to end. I want to just know how much it's going to rip, because when it halts, a lot of people get notifications and then they buy off that notification. So let's see how this all goes. Don't get greedy. I'm holding out for something better. This is why people were asking me for weeks, like, did I sell GME, AMC? No way. It's because for moments like this, I was taking a moral stand and it's paying off. I'm actually in the green on my AMC investment now. That's crazy. Tesla's not moving how I want it to. 750 call. I need that to go higher. Higher, higher, higher. This has to unhalt very soon. Okay, we are 46, 56, and 17 seconds. Where are we at? Let's switch this over to a minute. Good. Let's switch this over to a minute. Brutal smack at 975, but that's okay. The volume is huge, probably on all of these. Everything is moving. The market's moving. GameStop's moving. Four-star strength, you very much deserve. Hey, one of you beautiful space apes, 4-star strength, alerted me to putting GameStop back on the screen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Huge, huge, huge. You're amazing. You are awesome. No question, just a statement. GameStop. I mean, I should have switched the title of this. It doesn't even say anything about GameStop, but hey, it'll say something about GameStop tomorrow. We're going to be back at it. I mean, the halt. What's going on with the halt? 57. I don't know how many seconds we're in. Is it just halted permanently and like as in for the day? Does anyone know what's going on with GameStop? Eric, here's free money, Matt, because I'm a diamond hand. I love that, Eric. You're amazing. General Yellen, she called in and said, halt now. LOL, Grandma Yellen and Uncle Vlad. So Yellen halted it? No way. No way. Is that what happened? This is so insane. Guys, I love it. This is amazing. All of your energy is so contagious. My adrenaline is through the roof. You guys are the best. Tesla's still pushing, AMC pushing. I'm telling you, so we were calling this out as resistance. Once it goes up to 10, that's the bottom. I'll just show you. I don't know even what I'm rambling about. I could show you. So right here, we have this resistance between 975 and let me go over to the daily. It's better. So we have this resistance between 975 and 10. After 10, the gap fill is all the way up to 13. Market makers love filling gaps. My first target past $10 is a shoot straight to 13. I'm calling it out. That's my target. My first target, I should clarify. Clarify. I can't believe they suspended it. Here we go. Tomorrow Vlad's going to come in and be like, you can't buy call options, you can't buy shares. If they didn't learn from the mistake they made like 3 weeks ago, that is insane. That is bonkers. Diamond hands paying off. GME, SNDL, AMC, Doge. Cheers, Matt. Not a Greg. Love it. All the new people are pouring in. Very much confused about what a Greg is. Remember, diamond hands only. Let's go. This is the diamond. This is the payoff for having diamond hands. It looked rough over the past couple weeks, but in the end, diamond hands prevailed. Man, I can't believe they halted it to close. That is so funny. Well, this is the big news of the day. Suspended. Okay, so it's just suspended into close. We have about a minute and a half left, a minute 15 left. We're setting up for an amazing day tomorrow. Apparently, I just found out that it's only Wednesday. So we have 2 trading days left of this week. We're going to see some nice action. Versatile Denzel, what are my predictions for AMC GME tomorrow? Is this the squeeze? This is definitely the start of the squeeze. It's just, so when you have these massive hedge funds, their positions are so large that it's like tough for them to unwind it. It takes multiple days, but a bunch of us little retail traders, we're just sitting there on our couch in Robinhood and Webull, buy. So like the power in our group, we're a bunch of little fish that form one megalodon, if you will, if you're a shark fanatic. So we're just way too agile for them. In the end, they have a lot more power, but it's about like the timing and the size of the moment. So I think tomorrow and Friday are going to be bonkers for GameStop and AMC. That's what it'll be about. Tomorrow we'll be talking about AMC, GameStop, what's going on in crypto, and of course I'll have that duck shirt. Will GME open for after hours? I highly doubt it. It looks like Yellen just stepped in. Market just closed for after hours. Let's see what happens. It's Wednesday, my dudes. It is Wednesday. Oh, it did open right here. A print went through after hours. Okay, let's sit around a bit. Team, everyone, let's see how things play out after hours. I will make an extra video tonight that I'll post to this YouTube channel about an update of what levels to watch for AMC and GME tomorrow. I know some of you, when the market's closed, you tune off. That's perfectly fine. All I ask of you in support of this is to hit that subscribe button. We are on the journey to 100,000 subscribers, and your help with that would be massively, massively appreciated. Make sure to come back tomorrow. Actually, come back tonight. I'll be posting a standalone video about all the technical levels of GameStop, AMC. I don't really think this is fundamental news. This is just classic short squeeze, gamma squeeze action. I'm feeling pretty good about it. But if you want to see how this is all playing out tomorrow, if I can blow up my account or not, in either way, make sure you're in that live stream tomorrow. If you have to go, completely understand. I will be around for a bit more before I work on that other video. The New York Stock Exchange on the strings. We're taking down the system. Should I hodl and get my tendies for my wife's boyfriend's new boyfriend? Stevie, I love this. Guys, if you see any breaking news we have to go over, remember, you can send it to me here. It's the same thing on Instagram. If you need to reach out to me like during stream for information or after the stream, you can have direct access to me through the Discord, the Moon Gang Discord, which is through Patreon. It's the first link in the description of this video. And also it's the same thing for Instagram. You can find me on socials. I'm just going to be ranting about Wall Street and making money and doing super unhealthy bets. Man, we were sitting around thinking that this was going to be a boring day. And here we are. Just, the stock market, things change on a dime. Crazy stuff. GME dropping. Guys, this is going to be insanely low volume. Like, even if we, I personally don't put much emphasis on this. Look at the volume difference between even the last couple of minutes, like when there was like leading up to the halt, and right now it's like borderline nothing. Don't worry about it. It's all going to come down to, hopefully, what I would like to see in an ideal situation is one of our big supporters, Elon Musk, Dave Portnoy, Chamath Palihapitiya. One of them, I would love for them to tweet it. Wait, Reddit is down? What? What? All right, team, I need to switch. Hang on. Let me. All right. This is crazy. This is so bonkers. Diamond hand, Reddit's down. So of course we can't read Wall Street Bets. Last time they took down just Wall Street Bets. This time it's just entire Reddit, so no one's in trouble. But anyway, let me go back to the ideal situation so you guys know what to look for. Obviously, none of us are sleeping tonight. So when I'm not on stream and you're wondering, I wonder what Matt's looking at right now, this is exactly what I'll be looking for. Tune in, take down, get your notepad ready. I am going to be looking for a big celebrity. Elon Musk, Dave Portnoy, Chamath Palihapitiya, all of them. I would love for him to do a three-way stream of, hey guys, we're against the system. I want Elon to once again tweet game stonks, like just something crazy. We need a celebrity to once again show their undying support for this movement. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, once you get out of your like little half-hour sleep that we're gonna all have tonight, In the morning, I want to see a big gap up in GameStop and AMC. That's what we saw previously in the past squeezes. There were huge gap ups in pre-market, like $50, $100, massive gaps up. That's a very, very good sign because right away the shorts wake up and as soon as the market opens, they get scared and they have to buy back into the market. So we're looking for a massive, massive gap up. So number one, celebrity support, which will help with a gap up scenario in the pre-market. And then after that, obviously, we just need the news cycle to pick this up again. These things will work way, way better with a short squeeze and a gamma squeeze when the news cycle cares about it. All the average people who just don't care about the stock market, they need to once again get interested in how this is all playing out. We need the general public to rise up essentially against Wall Street. And it's just the power in numbers. Apes together are stronger, and that's what this is all about. Greg T, up $700 in the last hour of trading from GME and AMC alone. Some profits locked in, but holding to the moon. Elon tweet is all we need. I 100% agree. Man, these super chats are massive. Thank you guys so much. You're very, very kind. Man, AMC getting smacked right off of that. Remind everyone to disable share lending on their platforms. Geez whiz, good reminder. If you don't want your shares lended out, make sure you could turn that off in your app. So a shout out to everyone. While I have you beautiful 10,000 space apes in here, don't forget, subscribe, join up with the Moon Gang, turn on your notifications so you can stay up to date on all of our antics. We live stream Monday to Friday. We post extra clips. There's a Moon Gang Discord. You can sign up for Webull if you want 2 free stocks. Check that out. If you're tired of just even me, you guys saw me today. It took me like a good 20 minutes to get a GME fill. That's insane. If you're tired of Robinhood and you want Webull, it's the pinned comment. You could get 2 free stocks by signing up for Webull. I'm trying to think of anything else. I was wondering if there's any big post-market. I'm interested in this Reddit thing. David J, Reddit down. This is complete chaos by the regulators, power players taking down sites. These people hate American success for us dumb money people. Crazy. This is the First Amendment matters. Here guys, thank you David J. Let me get on my soapbox, and I'm in no way saying I have the right to say this. I get it. I am some dipshit. Think about this. I'm a dipshit yelling at a camera in my basement. That's it. I don't take what I have to say too seriously. This is just my opinion, and I'm not saying I'm some special person that's abnormally informed. But my opinion on this entire situation is, with the advance in technology, people are more interconnected and really on an individual basis more powerful than they've ever been before. And we have situations like this where enough of us agree and we're on one side of it that me alone, I mean nothing. I'm just dipshit, Matt, whatever. I'm not that powerful myself. But when you multiply that by thousands, potentially tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people all feeling the same way on one side of it, we can make a difference. And I think the reason we're seeing this now is because technology is so advanced that we have the power to use Twitter, Instagram, Reddit. We can spread our ideas. We can basically come together on one side of an issue. And this is that first time that we've all had that interconnectivity that we can pull something like that off. I mean, back in 2008, we all knew, whether you were watching your parents, you experienced it yourself, 2008 was an absolute shit show for so many people, and we all felt helpless. We sat there, we knew illegal, immoral things were going on Wall Street. They were making massive, unregulated, uncapped bets, and they practically blew up the economy. And to my own research, one person went to the jail, one low-level banker went to jail, and everyone else got away scot-free. In fact, they took home huge bonus checks just because. And this is it. And we all know that it was just messed up. But we were helpless. There was nothing we could do about it. And I'm not saying that this whole saga between GameStop and AMC is gonna perfectly change everything for the better, but the way I look at it, it's our one stand against it, just so everyone knows how unhappy the quote-unquote dumb money general public is. We all know how these professionals on Wall Street think of the average people. They think of us as suckers, that there's nothing we can do, and they're the ones with the God-given abilities to manage money, and all of us need to keep working our whatever normal jobs and basically sign their paychecks for them. And in the end, I'm hopeful that we can make some change. I don't know how impactful it will actually be, but I'm just naturally an optimistic person. I hope that this entire thing, one, changes our stock market economic system for the better, and two, and maybe more important to me, changes how the money dispersion throughout the US is really viewed. It's viewed as if you have money, you're smart, you're successful, and everyone without is basically a dumbass and it's their fault. There's so much luck in this world, and people that manage money, I've met a lot of them. Some of them are very smart. Yes, they're very well-educated people. Other people are no more special than us. In fact, some of them are probably even worse than us. And I, in the bottom of my heart, I think that's why things like Wall Street Bets, Reddit took off, because it was a formed community of people where like they were poking fun at themselves. That's why they have such derogatory terms, because that's how they know how they're viewed from the outside. But if you take the time to go through Wall Street's Bets like Reddit page, not obviously there's jokes. It's people who understand the trolling nature of the internet, but beyond that, there's some very, very impressive due diligence. There are smart people in there, and just for whatever reason in life, they weren't given the opportunity to succeed that they needed. But with technology now, a lot more people have a voice and it's easier to be heard. And I think that's what we're seeing at this moment in time. Just people kind of stepping up, and I don't know how this is going to play out. I'm here for a fun time. Obviously, I'm on my soapbox right now, and I don't really know why. I'm not saying I have any special opinions, but I'm here for the fun times, but I also better understand what this represents. That's what this is for me. Of course, it's cool if I make money. That's awesome. But I am much more, I guess, passionate about what this movement as a whole means. And I hope you are too. I'm going to diamond hands it because of what the movement means to me. And I hope we get some actual useful quality change out of this entire event. These are already coming back up. GameStop post-market, it closed at 92. It hit a high of 126. GameStop tracking back up almost above 960. It hit above 960. We're seeing that movement. Frankie, LU89 became a space ape. Welcome aboard. Forgot by the system. What the F is happening? Dylan, the one true good thing that happened is that more people than ever are putting money in the US economy. It's been taken back by good people. Hey, I'm looking at power in it. What's going on? All right, what's going on in the world of Twitter? Will you do a put on GME? No way in hell. All right, what's going on? Dave is going parabolic. Dow jumps 420 points. Yeah, I love that. Need money for luxury shirt. That's how I feel about duck shirts, though. All right, do we see anything? What's going on? Postmark. Whoa, even higher. 122. This is the type of stuff we're going to see for like the next possible short squeeze, gamma squeeze. This is awesome, awesome action. Robinhood screwed me, sold me out of my shares during the haul at 76. A share should have switched. Guys, if you're trying to switch out, like at least if you're in the US, you can check out the Robinhood or Webull platform. If you're done with Robinhood, I pinned that link. Check out the Webull link. You can get 2 free stocks for signing up. All right. Matt Kohrs for President campaign fund has started. Please contribute to help him find more Old Spice to make markets great again. Hey, not saying I would be a good president. All I can say is that I would at least have Old Spice based hair. To the moon. Slow-mo, thank you. You guys are the best. Day in and day out. Looks like we're going to have an exciting, exciting day tomorrow. Don't forget, posting a video later tonight to post out all the technical levels we care about. And then beyond that, make sure you're here for the 9 a.m. stream. Maybe we'll start early if there's crazy action in the pre-market. What are you going to set your limit to sell on Robinhood? We have the same position. Well, I don't... Okay, so I really, really wish I bought more to the point that if it takes off and goes again parabolic to 500, it would be cool if I had a position that could realistically become life-changing money. So for me, that is more realistic in AMC just because I have 12. But really, I wish I had like 25, 100 call options. Like, I wish I had more. They're just so expensive. The volatility is so juiced. That's not going to happen. If this goes really well, I might make a couple $10,000, like tens of thousands, if we get back up into the multi-hundred range. Because remember, GameStop did get above 500 in one pre-market session. I know Wall Street Bets was recently talking about like trying to get it to 1,000. They were looking for AMC to get above 100. If either of those hit, I'll be up a lot of money. It's not going to be life-changing money. I'm not in like a roaring kitty, deep F and value situation. But who knows? I wish I could buy more. You guys, if you've been watching for like an hour, you saw how difficult it was to get a GameStop. Oh, for everyone who's joining right now, here are all my positions. Obviously, my first one, $750 Tesla call. I'm up 728 on it. It expires not this Friday, but next Friday. Where is my account even at? FSR, that was a boredom chase play. Don't worry about that. GameStop, I only have 2. I wish I had like 20. I'm up 125% though. So I'm up 2K. Like I said, it's not going to be life-changing money, but I'm definitely here for the lulz. AMC, I am in at 126. So I have 12 of these. That's why I'm saying like I will fare better if AMC hits 100. And I also have a mid-March expiration. I have a very good expiration for that. I forgot to clarify my expiration on GameStop is not this week, but next week. So I'm a little bit worried I don't have enough time for some massive squeeze. But let's see how it plays out. And then Palantir, don't worry about that. That's just left over. So wild day. At one point, I was down 2.4K. Today, I'm up 3.4K. That's what happens when you do dumb YOLO option plays. Like, these are definitely dumb plays, but we're having a fun time. Do you think that Doge explodes now that the market closes? No, maybe. I mean, it has to, it's pretty dependent on like if someone tweets about it. Basically, Elon needs to tweet about Doge, but for the excitement of what can happen tomorrow, I would prefer, if I had it my way, I would prefer that he tweets one word, GameStonk. That if Elon tweets GameStonk, it'll be awesome. Is Reddit still down? I want to know. Reddit is just down. That is wild. 503 internal server error. That's awesome. It's just fun. How can you not have a fun time watching this all play out? Oh, what's going on? Did you guys send me anything of importance that we need to go over? I can't believe Yellen took it. So Yellen stopped it. Yellen came. This is Feb 5th. Hang on. What did she do today? This is all old news. So did Yellen officially stop GameStop from trading today? Like, that was just like her rule? You guys are chatting incredibly fast. This is the start of another squeeze. The thing with the squeeze is you can't ever know how big it's going to be, how long it's going to last. They're just such wild beasts. Like, anyone that's saying like, oh, this exact value, it's going to squeeze here, you don't know. It's just so insane. There's so many things at play. Namely, it's like a big bet on human psychology. And you can't model that with technical analysis, with fundamental analysis, especially when the group of psychology is like a group of retail traders that have most likely never traded before. I don't know. I think a lot of people who are in GameStop, who are in AMC, who are telling themselves, oh, okay, I'll get out if I'm ever break even. I don't think that they will. I think that they're going to be like, hey, it's shooting up. Let's see how it goes. Would you put $10,000 on AMC? I would. Obviously, please don't do that. This is not financial advice, but just judging from the sentiment, I'm telling you, resistance at 974. If it gets over 10, I see it shooting up to 13. From 10 to 13, I see a very easy 30% gain. If I'm right, please brag about me. If I'm wrong, just forget I ever said that, obviously. I just want to, does anyone have a link that you could send me? Can you tag me? I want proof about Yellen stopping this, about stopping GameStop. If you could tag me in it. This is, whoa, what's this one? This is huge. Oh, GME, you're up. Anthony, is this you? The buff Asian? Yeah, Anthony, right? I mean, I would honestly, for the point of entertainment, I would put 10K on AMC, but like it takes time for the money to hit the account. Like I can't do it quickly. Hey Matt, why is TradingView still moving for you? It's frozen on my screen. Does it have to do with your membership? I'm using free version and the first 180 profit. Thank you, and your Old Spice hair. Jonathan, you have to make sure you have after hours, like extended hours trading. It's on. It's like somewhere in your settings. Maybe it is like a free versus paid service. I'm not quite sure about that. Is Reddit? I want to know if Reddit is still down. You could always trust Twitter to tell you what's going on. Is Twitter? No, it's not down. GameStop already tweeting again, trending again. My brain's already fried. It's awesome because we still have 2 more days for full trading, fun, and excitement. So remember tomorrow, let's do a quick breakdown of GameStop. Did not want to do that. Hang on, team. Technical difficulties. All right, here's GameStop. Let me lay out some of the technical levels. Let's go over to the daily. We're coming up on it, 94. Well, we're already in it post-market. We're at 112. 112, oddly enough, support, resistance, important level that we're sitting at. Past that, we could see a pop to 150, 160 realistically tomorrow. Those are in the cards. The way AMC has a giant gap, so does GameStop. If GameStop gets above 160, I could see it shooting right to 212. It's just a classic gap fill. And okay, I will post a video later tonight laying out all these technical levels for GameStop, AMC, everything you need to know. I promise you that will be out tonight. Check back for that video. But has anyone sent me what's going on with Yellen? Yellen. He lost 20% so far. Okay, Matt Kohrs on Google News. Click on settings and change it today. All right, oops. How did it know that I wanted that? That's creepy. News. Four minutes ago, Reddit is down for as many. GME goes up. GME stock bounces after CFO resignation. That's what prompted it? Seriously? No way. Okay, someone just sent it to me. Wait, where was that? How'd you send it to me? Blah, blah, blah. Mentioned by Ada. Where are you? Here we go. Thank you, Ada. I appreciate that. And what was this? This is obviously Reddit. 1.4 million more GME shares have been borrowed today so far. Hedge funds are flooding the market with shorts. This could be setting up for a very, very interesting short squeeze. That is awesome. There's no way that Wall Street expected enough of us crazy people to come back to get. GameStop stock bounces after CFO resignation. Are meme stocks rallying? But why did people hate him so much that they're buying after it? Bell didn't leave the company willingly, according to Business Insider. Bell was reportedly pushed out of the board over a lack of faith and an initiative to reshape the company by Ryan Cohen, co-founder of Chewy, who made a large investment in the video game retailer last year. So it sounds like it wasn't a friendly exit by any means. To me, it seems wild that that alone would push the stock up from over 100% today. But hey, we'll take what we can get. Where are we at? So remember, big levels on GameStop 113. Past that, we have 150, and then from there, the sky's the limit. I am in Tesla, but I'm mainly now going to be focusing on GameStop and AMC. We will be watching them throughout the day. Ooh, if I missed your super chat, I'm sorry while I was reading that. Settings, then symbols, and then turn on after hours. Thank you. Oh, and just so everyone knows, this charting software is called TradingView. It's in the description. You could get a free 30-day trial if you just want to try it out for a month. No joke from the afternoon. Let's freaking go. Velvet, I love it, man. What's going on, Velvet? Come back with more of your jokes tomorrow, though. We need them. Keeps the good vibes going. Ryan, thank you for that super chat. I'm trying to scroll through. Martel, 720 call option on GME. What? 720 call option on GME? What would you do with it? I didn't even know you could get it filled that high. I'd be kind of surprised that I have it, honestly. Reddit down in Florida. I think Reddit is down like for everyone. I'm stupid. I got pending orders on Robinhood in general. Can I sell them later on, or is it too late? You could get rid of, well, you could cancel your orders now if you have pending orders. You could just cancel them now, Josiah. Roaring Kitty just put 5 million back into GME. Also, if he had even had 1 million of that in options, he would have made 5 and then some. That is amazing. I am settings and symbols. Okay, I think I got all the super chats. I'm sure I missed some. I'm sorry. My apologies. I mean, I just can't even imagine. Like, I'm going to be through the roof if I make 10K on this ordeal. I can't even imagine what it's like to be up millions. If Vlad suspends GME AMC tomorrow, I will personally send him poop in the mail. If they suspend it, I think there'll be anarchy in the streets. Holy, up so much. Asked earlier about Tilray, then AMC and GME. Thanks, Matt. One question, pull profits from AMC, put in GME, or keep AMC? Julian, I mean, obviously this is not financial advice. I'm keeping both. I think they could both really move. I think their charts look the same. They both have similar gaps. I think they're going to be put back into the same boat together. Reddit app on phone works. Oh, interesting. So Reddit app on phone works. Thank you for that update. But still down on computers. Internet down in Germany. YouTube, shadow, work, diamond, hands. All right, what else is going on? This is the ripping. This is what we've been talking about, team. All year, all of our practice and hard work has been for this, the ripping. Reddit app is down. Okay, so a lot of other people are saying it's not working on their phone. So it sounds like Reddit is just like kind of out of commission at this moment. Ditto, Reddit works on phone. Okay, so it seems like it's split. Some people are saying it works on their phone. Other people are saying it doesn't. I literally just turned $2 into 117 with one YOLO options call on GME. That's awesome. Congrats. I just wish like the volatility was just so juiced that like I wanted to buy as many as I could. So now I'm like obviously in the money on GME, but hang on, I'm trying to load it. Now my Robinhood's not even loading. Is anyone else having issues with Robinhood? My screen is just like completely green. All right, so it seems like Robinhood is having their own server issues. Everyone's having issues today. Surprise, surprise. CNBC reported Reddit down. Reddit is definitely down. I wish we could do that. Thank you for sharing that. Did anyone else send some stuff? Before we know it, Twitter will be down. Man, it's crazy how some of this works out. We were calling out those levels, very, very important levels, and now we're seeing it play out. That's so exciting. You guys, have to be excited for tomorrow. If you're not, I just don't get it. Like, this is just, it could very well go back up like to the couple $100 mark. Reddit is working on my phone. I have an Android Google Pixel 3. So it seems like depending on what you have, it may or may not be working. We broke the internet. Oh, I love it. It's already pushing 120. I'm telling you guys, if we wake up and this is, well, the real level that's going to be exciting. Let me just zoom out for a second. If you wake up and you see GameStop like somewhere around like this 160, like this gap fill area, it's going to go crazy because above it, it's just going to keep shooting up. There's resistance at 320, 380, 400, 484. Like it's all coming down to this gap fill right here. I mean, at a minimum, I think there's a pretty good shot of hitting 212 in my very non-financial advice opinion. Michael, what's going on? Is anyone discussing AMC and GME still going up on the same trend? We were complaining when they went down together for short ladder. Is that suspicious? You CFO shouldn't affect AMC. I think that's a very good point. I think what's going on is that a bunch of retail people like us are treating them the same. So that's why the charts are looking the same. I am very surprised that the news of the CFO getting pushed out is doing this, but it just took a little thing to push it up. And then I bought, like, it's just that thing of like you bought, so your neighbor bought, so your other neighbor bought, and it just gets out of hand. This is not, a CFO leaving the company does not justify a 104% return in a day and then even more in after hours. It's up 27% more in after hours. This is just like, it's a domino effect. Like that first domino gets pushed and it leads to crazy things like this. Bottom line, tomorrow, does it keep going? Jim, I strongly feel so. I've been horrifically wrong before, but right now in front of 10,000 of my favorite internet friends, I'm calling for yes. Matt, is it still okay to chase GME? I mean, it's okay to chase everything. It's just the risk reward of like the situation. This is still guys, don't like misunderstand. There's no guarantee this could go up. People could be getting suckered in right now and the rug could get pulled and it could just drop down to 50 tomorrow. That is a possibility. So understand that this is still a massively risky position. It's just all, do you want to take that risk? Like for me, it's a risk I'm willing to take, but like that's all questions we have to ask ourselves. Calvin, thank you for that super chat. Is Reddit old working? CEO of Robinhood, Vlad, is going to F us tomorrow. Anthony, you got to join up with the Discord so we can continue to talk. Join up with that Moon Gang Discord. The link is through Patreon. Would love to directly talk with you, Anthony, so we can see your positions throughout the day. Shout out to Anthony. I love the size of your bets. You're a true diamond hander. Love it, love it, love it. All right, none of this is working. Bought 5 $10 AMC calls for Friday the 26th as a yellow at lunch, up 350%. Carl, I love it. Calvin, oldreddit.com, the old site still works. So I can't open up any of these things though. Like I'm seeing. Like when I click on one, it just doesn't work. This is working. Oh wait, that's the Steam. Don't worry about that. Misclick. GME, call. They're all expiring. So a bunch of calls expiring tomorrow. That's awesome. Anthony, we're going to make that money back from RIOT and Tilray, man. Portfolio update. I will do a portfolio update later today and also talk about the levels between AMC and GME. CFO replace equals emergency meeting. All SI exposed to public. Oh. Chad, I'm kind of all short interest exposed to public. Is that what you're talking about? Jenny, is it best to wait until market opens to place an option on AMC, or is now okay? Options you won't be able to place now. You have to wait for the market to open. How would you play $3,000 tomorrow? I'm feeling YOLO, GME, AMC. I mean, I don't know. Like that's just such a random. Why not both? Why not 150 each? Or 1,500. Sorry, my brain is already fried. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so freaking excited. Like, I'm not sleeping tonight. This is awesome. This is so much fun. Like, it was already fun going into this with other stuff running, and now these things are gonna go bonkers. It's definitely chasing, but I don't know. To me, I've tried to express my opinion that like GameStop and AMC are very different than anything else. Like, they're not technically sound. They are not fundamentally sound. It's just this is a bet on human psychology. Fidelity took the sell button away from GME. I took the sell button away from all my stuff. Just diamond hand in it. Check Twitter. Check Twitter. Check Twitter. I mean, you have 1,200 shares. That's huge. There's people playing massive, massive sizes. He shares all Space Ape sentiments. Man, I would love to do some sort of dual stream with Portnoy, but I think he's just too big. I would like love to do some sort of talking back and forth, just dicking around about being a space ape. I just don't know how we would format it. And like Dave Portnoy is like a solar system of a business, and like I'm just a random YouTuber. I don't know how to frame it, but I think we can make it happen. I just don't know how. I would be open to any suggestions of how we could successfully get his attention and talk with him. If any of you crazy space apes out there have a connection to Dave Portnoy, Wall Street Bets, something where we could like elevate this stream to the next level and do like a co-stream or anything like that, please, please, please reach out to me. Let's take this to the next level. This entire movement does better with more people interested in it. So it's all about the reach of numbers. Lefty videos. Hey Matt, good vibes. Onboard GME and AMC space modules. What do you think about Nvidia results and any forecasts? Thank you. So Nvidia, I'm just bullish on it. I fundamentally I've been investing in it forever. Look at this. It closed at 580, pushing 595. We'll probably break 600 tomorrow. Strong company though. My favorite graphics processing company. Do you see the gap in GME to 208? Yes, I'm looking for that to be filled, hopefully sooner rather than later. Peter just joined up with the Discord. That's awesome. Adam, thank you. You'd have to pay him. Donate some of the GME profits to the Barstool Fund. KPT, that's so smart. Okay, I could do that. Like if I get like a massive $10,000, $25,000 winner, I could donate that and try to get his attention that way. But also that would be after it happens though. Like I kind of need his attention now. GME, this is crazy. Look at this. We get the dual action going. Let me switch it over to the 1 minute. You apes, you space apes. It's all these good vibes. Guys, good vibes always pay. Good vibes always pay. Let's go, let's go. Good vibes, good vibes. 10, we're pushing. It's going to be so exciting. AMC flying. The excitement. Oh, sorry. Got some rocket fuel on my hand. AMC over 10. GME. Regardless that AMC pulls at GME, would you agree that it's still a great stock now that they pulled $300 million to pay off their debt? Jason, like, I do think before all this craziness, I felt better about my AMC long-term position just because I think that the business will rebound when the world does better in general. Excuse me. My song changed the market. Yeah, I was singing about being too bored, and here's what happens. Guys, money is being made. Money, money, money. Tendies for all. Tendies for all, and this is the ripening. The ripening round 2. This is just post-market trading. It keeps trading post-market. That's how it keeps going. Look at this, 140. I think the gap was at 150. That's the start of the gap, so there'll be some resistance there. This is brutal. Melvin Capital, goodbye again. There's going to be another Melvin Capital in this situation. They're just going. I mean, is AMC going to hit 11? Are we going to stream AMC hitting 11? Are we going to stream GameStop hitting 150? Here we go. Guys, this is what the spaceship's all about. We're going to the moon. Moon, 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 moon. I wrote this little ditty. It's called AMC GME to the moon. See you there. CCIV who? Oh, Joan. So it's always the new shiny toy. This is ripping. Carl just sent me a DM. What's up, dude? No way. Tomorrow we'll be doing an upgrade on our systems. Buying in some stocks might be limited. Sorry for the inconvenience. Are you fucking kidding me? Hang on. We didn't hear no bell. $11, $157. We are cruising. How high could it go tonight? The limit does not exist. Ask Lindsay Lohan. She knows. Reddit is back. Is it back? Reddit? Hello? Hello? Knockety knock knock. 170? What the fuck? This is crazy. Uh, did you guys just see what you guys need to see what I just tweeted. Look at this. Robinhood traders, this was tweeted 10 minutes ago. Tomorrow we will be doing an upgrade to our systems. Buying in some stocks might be limited. Sorry for the inconvenience. Are you like, what? This is such the same bullshit manipulation. That's insane. This is just the underhanded, insane crap that they'll pull no matter what. Well, I don't know. Let's hope that the other things like Wall Street bets, what else do we have? Or not Wall Street bets, like Webull, E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, all of those guys. Let's hope that they still allow it. It's a fake account? Oh, if it's a fake account, I should take it out. Is this not a real confirmed account? I will delete it. Yeah, okay, they're nobody. All right, let me delete my own account or my own tweet. Delete. I want to do my part. I'm not trying to spread fake information. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. I deleted it. I am in no way attempting to spread false information. It's gone, guys. Everyone chill. It's okay. It's done. I deleted it. Just a bunch of Gregs being Gregs. I mean, who? All right, Reddit is still, the CDN was unable. This is still going higher. What do you think will happen with AMC tomorrow? I mean, above $10, I've still been calling out a gap fill up to 13. Good call. This is why I rely on all you guys. You're my like fake news detectors. I appreciate all of you, every single one of you. Hey, out of you crazy 11,000 space apes out there, please, if you want to support the Moon Gang, stay up to date with all of our antics, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We do live streams Monday to Friday when the market's open, market opening, market close, and then also we post clips every single day. If you want to help me on my journey and the Moon Gang's journey to 100K subscribers, all you have to do is hit that button, and don't forget to go over to the bell and switch it to always so you're not missing anything. This is still going. Peter joined up with the Moon Gang Discord. Shout out to Peter. This just gives me hope that the good guys end up winning. It's all about being a good guy. Reddit is back. This is why you hodl. There we go. If he's still in, I'm still in. Deep F and value. I love this. It's gonna be a blast tomorrow, guys. You gotta be like as giddy as a little schoolgirl for tomorrow. Wow, 270. The only thing I could say, of course, hindsight 2020. I just wish I bought more. I mean, I maxed out my account. I have no buying power. Like, this is the margin buying power. I maxed out what I'm allowed to have in 180. This is disgusting. We just need someone to tweet about it. Of course, I just wish I had more. I used all the margin I had available for me for options. I'm not selling. I will sell some GameStop at 500, some at 1,000, and I will sell some AMC at 100. Like, I'm just going to set my targets up there, 500, 1,000, 50, and 100. We'll just multiply it by 10. That's what we're looking for. My target is the moon. That's what this channel is all about. We are going to the moon. My bad. Saw Portnoy showed it. Carl, it's completely fine. So basically, just so you guys know, just on in general, call options are just a leverage way to play the market. If a stock goes from $10 to $11, instead of getting a $1 gain per share per options contract, you get $100. So basically, when it shoots up like this, like from 100 to 110, that's not a $10 gain, that's a $1,000 gain. It's just a way to play the stock market in a highly leveraged, high risk reward scenario where you either gain stuff by an extra rate of 100 or you lose it by an extra rate of 100. It's the normal stock market movement. Of course, there's timing and volatility. Other things are priced in. But in general, whenever you see a movement, just multiply that by 100. And that's what you get per option versus per share. If Elon tweets, GameStop will be up, I mean, at this rate, above 300. People are just buying. The hedge funds are freaking out right now. I'm waiting for 200. Here we go. We're ringing 200's door. Matt, do you know if there's a max gain for options? My AMC stopped at 110 an hour ago and hasn't got them. Ryan, that's just because the options market is closed. There's not a max gain. It's just because options stopped trading. It'll readjust at 9:30 tomorrow morning. Viewer record? No. We're at 11,000 concurrent, which is awesome. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank every one of you. But in this original saga of GameStop AMC, I think we peaked out at 21, 22K. So hopefully we'll be that tomorrow. I really do. Anthony, I really do think Anthony has a good point. I think that Elon will tweet. Sorry. Allergies. I wouldn't wish allergies upon my worst enemy. I can't draw resistance lines fast enough. I love that beard. Anthony, did you join up? We need you in the Discord, man. This is crazy. Did it tap 200? Was it perfectly at 200? What's the high? The high was 199.91 cents. That is hilarious. Check Twitter. Everyone's saying check Twitter. I'm a paper-handed coward and sold after SI report. Is there an opportunity in the AM to get back in? 1 hour dip rule. Still a good look. With stuff like this, it's so unpredictable. This stuff doesn't really follow technical analysis. It doesn't really follow fundamental analysis. It's pure casino betting. Like, whatever rules you know when it comes to short squeezes and like this particular scenario with GameStop and AMC, throw them out the window. El Randall, what's going on? So here are my dream people that we could somehow maybe GameStop. Oh God, this is all so funny. We're gonna get some good memes from this. I promise you. New in stocks, how do you buy and sell after the market, or US low guy screwed? Also, do you think it will continue during market open tomorrow? I do think that these will continue. Obviously not financial advice. This is my own opinion. But in the US, you can trade pre and post market. It just depends on your brokerage. I know like Thinkorswim, which is TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, those allow pre and post market trading. I even believe Webull does. Sean just became an astronaut. Welcome, welcome. Hope you remember Doge and what happened last time. People dumped profits into Doge and multiplied them. Thank you for that reminder, Joe. All right, let me know in a comment. You can only pick one. Which one do you think will have a bigger percentage gain tomorrow? AMC or GME? Only pick one. Let me know in a chat. You think hard and post it. I personally, I think they'll both be up. I'm just curious which you guys think will be up more. UK calling, just set an order for GME 3536 and I will never sell it. Is there a way to withdraw the stocks as physical certificates so I can mount it? That depends on your brokerage and if you have a cash account or margin account. If you have a margin account, you actually don't own it. You like own a promise through your brokerage. It's weird, but you actually don't own the stock. You guys are split. All right, here. Oh, sorry, sexy beast. But you can trade pre and post market. Like if you guys wanted to, you could trade this action. All right, there are too many votes, guys. If you could come to this. Poll. We'll do it alphabetically. Please answer this poll if you can, if you're on Twitter. I would love to get your votes. I want to, just so we all know tomorrow, this is good information for the rest of us to see. We'll have the exact results. Cody Martin, Matt, I'm doing after hours trading on Robinhood app. I use the limit buy feature. Hopefully that helps people. It definitely will. I appreciate that. You can do limit buys on Robinhood if you want to get in onto it now. How are they actually even doing? Selling off a bit. Oh, okay. AMC taking the lead, 91 votes. Guys, cast your vote. It is neck and neck. AMC is winning though. So if you are supportive of the GME gang, for me, I have a position in both. I want them both to run. All right, let's reload it. I want to know who's winning. Ooh, GME pulled ahead. Wait, 33 votes. That's not right. Didn't it just say like 91 votes? Guys, make sure to cast your vote on this. Can you retweet it so we get more and more people voting? I'm super curious. I want to know where the general public is interested in because I think that one will run. I have a sneaky suspicion that whatever wins this vote will be the better performer tomorrow. Because think about it. We have such a sizable vote. Like that's a lot of votes. And at a certain point, like once you're past 55, you hit the point of like the max data quality. Like it's enough of a sub segment that I think we'll find out. Let me know. Cast your vote. These are selling off a bit. AMC now at 1060, GameStop at 160. Interesting. Did I miss any super chats? Can you explain what is happening right now with AMC GME? Should we buy into Doge right now? So Sean, I mean, Doge it's not really directly related. So what's happening? It's the start of a short squeeze. So for everyone who's like new right now, trying to figure out what's going on, let me explain what a short squeeze is. In the stock market, you typically think of it of you buy a stock, you hope the stock goes up, and then you sell it and you keep that difference. When you short a stock, it's the exact opposite. You sell a stock, you hope it goes down, and then you could buy it back and you keep that difference. It's the exact opposite of like normal stock trading. So basically, when you buy a stock, you want it to go up, you keep the difference in the movement. When you short a stock, you sell it, you buy it back, and you keep that difference. So what a short squeeze is, it's when the stock goes up so much that everyone who's shorting it gets scared. And since they originally sold the stock to create the position, and then to close the position, they have to buy back. So when it goes up, they're in a net loss, so they're forced to buy back into the market. But when they buy back into the market, it causes the stock to go up a little bit more. And then because they buy back in, another short sell has to get back in, and you get a giant velocity move upward. And it's referred to as a short squeeze because so many shorts are getting quote unquote squeezed out of their position because they're forced to buy back in because they're afraid of taking an even bigger loss, which forces another short position to buy back in. And it just gets out of hand. That's a short squeeze. And then a gamma squeeze is a similar situation, but it more so involves like market makers. And that's related to the options market. But basically, today, when you have so many people buying out of the money calls on AMC and GME, these market makers and brokerages, they have to lessen their risk. It's referred to as like delta exposure, delta risk. And then to lessen it, to cover their butts on all these out of the money calls, they have to buy stock themselves. So once again, they're buying it, which pushes it up, which can help with the short squeeze. So basically, a short squeeze can lead into a gamma squeeze, can lead into a short squeeze, and you just get these giant violent moves upward. So that's pretty much what's going on, Sean. And to answer your other question, and should we buy into Doge? I mean, Doge, we're not seeing the same follow through. Doge hasn't even gotten through 6 cents yet. So it seems like it's at this moment in time, at least, it's not directly tied to what's going on in these two titans between GME and AMC. All right, we have 1,000 votes. And thus far, AMC is winning. Interesting. It's close, 58-42, but it is definitely close. I'll keep you updated on this. I truly do believe the winner of this vote will have a better percentage gain tomorrow. I think we represent enough retail traders and people in it that we'll see. Thank you for casting your vote, by the way. Chandler, wake the fuck up, Samurai. We have a city to burn. I don't know what that means, but I really like the sentiment. I really don't know what that means, but it sounds cool. It gets the people going. All right, thank you everyone for retweeting that out. The more data, the better. It looks like Dave didn't get a position. I barely got a position. It moved so fast. It was very difficult to make a position. So if you didn't, don't feel bad. You're going to have a shot. I mean, granted, getting in tomorrow is much higher risk. You'll probably have a shot tomorrow. All right, these votes are pouring in. AMC is taking the lead. Interesting. I thought it would be closer. They're selling off a bit now. I mean, GameStop went all the way up to 200 down to 145. AMC 1140 down to 10. Oh, it's going to be violent tomorrow. I love it. It has to get you going. Jason getting 10K rounds of ammo. I love it. I mean, I was fire set. Like, guys, you know how many stocks I owned yesterday? Look how much I sold. If you've watched any of my portfolio update videos, I had like 15 different stocks and I was just selling to free up capital. Buy. I sold many things. I kept AMC, CCIV, and GameStop. I probably should have gotten out of Tesla, but Tesla's looking strong. That's still up. So I'm not completely upset I got out of Tesla. I'll probably be selling that tomorrow. I'll probably try to buy more if I can. I have 1K in AMC now. Tomorrow I YOLO 5K Skywolf. I mean, you guys are crazy diamond-handed apes. I love it. It could end so spectacularly bad for us. Please understand this is a high-risk situation. Please, everyone out there, don't think of this as like a legitimate money-making opportunity. It is high risk. Don't bet money you can't afford to lose. Please, we're having fun, but I also need to take one moment to be serious. Only play with money that you're okay potentially losing. I don't want anyone risking their own financial health. Hey, Matt, got in on a $9 call for 226 AMC. What you think? I think you're going to be up big money tomorrow morning. What else is going on Wall Street Bets right now? That's crazy. Gee, me 2000 retail. Love it. Wall Street Bets. 5,000. This community will never make you not laugh. Someone's up huge. Anthony, if you're still listening, you better be in that Discord, man. We need to see your position. I would love to talk to you directly. It's all their money. I love it. All right, how many votes do we have going? So everyone knows right now AMC is winning. It's close, but AMC is winning. Interesting. Did not fully expect that, but let's see. Let's see if all you smooth brain space apes are right. Had AMC call for 650. Can't wait for tomorrow. Congrats. All right, so everyone listen up. It is 5 p.m. Eastern now. Here's what's going on. Tonight, I will post a video laying out all the technical levels for GME, AMC. Please check that video out for me. It will very much help. Other than that, I will be back at early tomorrow, either 9 a.m. or earlier for the market open. I'm expecting the pre-market to be absolutely bonkers. So check that out. All I ask from you is to join up with the Moon Gang by hitting the subscribe button, going over to the notification, that bell icon, and switching it to always. If you want 2 free stocks, check out Webull. If you want Bitcoin and Ethereum, check out the link to BlockFi. All the important links are below. If you want this in audio format, there is a link to both Spotify and Apple. All the important links are in the description below, and all you have to really do to stay up with the Moon Gang is hit that subscribe button. But other than that, I will see all of you beautiful space apes tomorrow. I promise you. I'll post another video tonight, so be on the lookout for that. I appreciate you spending a portion of your day with me, and let's see you guys tomorrow. Get those tendies in your system. We are loading up the rocket ship because we are going to the moon. I hope you are aboard with us. Have an amazing evening. I will see everyone back very, very soon.